name into
It
Wack
has
money.
been my house day one.
No, it hasn't.
So wait a minute, what
Oh,
the
this
house
nigga
got to do
crazy.
with it? You was suing a
Be-
nigga for a house?
because the nigga what he tried
No,
to do
this
because
is
he
what
thought it was
happened.
Game's house.
Are you asking me a question or are you
Yes,
asking
yes,
him?
I'm asking you a question for you. What the
Okay.
house got to do with this?
I'm gonna break it down for you because I see a lot of y'all don't even know what a lawsuit is or how they work. First of all, you don't need nothing to file a lawsuit. I can run in and sue
We ain't talking about the law with the
anything.
house. The lawsuit,
Listen,
we ain't worried about that. What's the
okay.
house got to do with it?
Now what
I mean,
happens
you
is,
was suing a
listen,
nigga for some money.
yes,
How did the house get involved?
okay, the house gets involved because they hadn't paid. Now, when you don't pay a lawsuit, I could put the person that wins the lawsuit, they could put a lien on anything that they find out that's yours. And the house is in Jay-Zion's name, and I got the lien. They didn't know I knew where his house was. They didn't know I knew the nigga house. And I knew the nigga house. You understand? They knew I knew the nigga house, but they didn't know that they must have forgot. I don't know if they smoking too much weed or whatever the fuck. They knew I was coming there. That's why when they jumped me, the nigga jumped on the plane and flew overseas immediately. So at the end of the day, when that came, when somebody don't pay you on a lawsuit, what they have to do is they have to you could put a lien on any of their property. So when they got the lien on the property, now he can't do nothing with the house unless you go through me. You have to
Bro,
pay me my
negative.
money.
But now let me ask you this:
I got the recording. You want the recording?
Bro, listen, this what you don't
yeah,
No,
understand.
I
that's how
sent you.
liens.
I
That's
just
how
sent you a
liens
message.
work,
This
though.
Shoot
what
me
you don't
whatever so I can clear
understand,
it up.
little dude.
Only under
I don't know
The
how to
certain
work
house
these.
has always
circumstances.
been my house.
It's his primary residence, and a
It's
lien cannot
always
be
been my
asserted
house,
against a
nigga.
primary
Hold on. We got
residence.
Phoenix. We got an attorney. That's Phoenix. What'd you say,
It ain't
Phoenix?
never not
If
been my house.
it's his primary residence, and as such, a lien cannot be asserted against his primary
Fuck
residence
are you
under those
talking about, bro?
circumstances.
I was never named in the lawsuit, bro.
We know
40
you
Glock,
wasn't
I
in the
got a
lawsuit.
question.
You was negotiating for him, my nigga.
40 Glock, I got a
That's
question.
my
I got a question.
You
I,
negotiated for him.
I got a question, 40.
What's up?
Same scenario. Would you do it? Would you sue somebody else again if they was to jump you? Same scenario, different celebrity?
Listen, I just took two bullets, 4.5s, one to the chest. I got a bullet on my spine, and I got a bullet through my motherfucking forearm. You dig? And I caught
And
that at
you in
point
court
blank
now.
range. I watching niggas
So
shoot
that's a
me,
yes
nigga.
or no.
I
That's a
ain't
yes
told a
or no.
goddamn thing. I don't, bruh,
Yeah.
no.
So
I
why you
don't sue
he
tell on the
over
never
gang?
got
fights,
jumped.
bruh.
So
I
why
don't
you
sue
tell
over
on the
fights.
gang?
I sue over niggas when they do bitch ass shit and fake fights, my nigga. He faked the fight. That's the first
That's
time I
a
ever got
fake,
paid for
man.
a fight,
Put
nigga. I
that
ain't never had
footage
a
up.
fake
So you
fight.
mean to
I
tell me
never met
it's
a nigga
certain
that faked a
shit
fight,
niggas
my
could
nigga.
do to make you snitch?
Nigga, they ain't snitching.
Oh,
Snitching is when you go to the
no.
cops.
Can I ask
So if
something?
I'm snitching, listen, if I'm snitching, then
The
Wax a 100%
streets, I told
snitch.
y'all the
Because
streets
all
is
this shit he
over,
doing on
bro.
the internet is point
Yeah,
blank
that shit
snitching,
I
over.
cuz.
told y'all the streets is over.
Can I
Niggas is
ask
like,
something?
we can go file a civil
Nigga,
suit.
you
Hey,
ended the
listen, nigga,
street,
them
bro.
Crip
You
niggas jumped
running
us at the
6ix9ine.
movies.
6ix9ine
We,
lock niggas up and you making up this new shit calling niggas civilians. Nigga, if a nigga mama a
I've
snitch,
never
if
been
a
to
nigga
a
mama
court,
telling
bro.
somebody she's a snitch, cause that nigga that she
I
told on,
have
them niggas gonna do
never
something
been
to
to
her.
a courtroom with
Come
six
on, my nigga.
nine in life.
Nigga, hold
So every
on.
time I
Hey,
say
hey,
something,
40,
y'all mute.
40, 40.
Let's keep this shit 100.
Hold on, 40. So you
My nigga,
saying do
I
your
come
mama
from the
gang bang?
days.
Hold on. Do your
Listen,
mama gang bang?
listen,
Did
this what I'm
yes or
telling you.
no? Did your mama gang bang?
What my mama gangbanging got to do with
Because you
anything?
just sit
Nigga,
here and
I don't
said
get
if a
that.
motherfucker mama tell on you, she's a snitch. Nigga, my mama tell on motherfucker, she ain't no snitch. She don't fucking gang bang.
By your opinion, but the nigga she told on, he's gonna call her your mama a snitch,
It
nigga.
don't
He
That's
can
matter.
call
all
her
you
what he
going
want
up
to
here,
call her,
nigga.
but it
You a
the rules
snitch,
of
nigga. Shut
anybody,
up.
nigga, she ain't affiliated.
In your head, if she send me to jail, nigga, she a motherfucking
No,
snitch.
she not. She's a civilian. She told the
Man, you
truth.
sound stupid as
They
fuck.
are
All right,
not,
so that's what the
civilians are
nigga keep
not
speaking
subject
on.
to street
Hey,
politics,
So when a
bro.
nigga catch her and put work in, then you say that, oh, she was in. Now she wasn't
Civilians are
innocent.
not
Ain't nobody
subject to
got
so
no right
street
to
what
do
do
that.
you
politics.
call taking a nigga to court?
You mean suing a nigga? Because that ain't court.
Ah, my
Well,
You
nigga.
that's
sued
You
a
suing.
didn't
That's
nigga
sue
for
me
suing, man.
beating
Y'all
beating
your
niggas
your
gotta
ass,
stop.
goddamn
which
car ass
means
Suing
he
nigga.
is
has some
suing,
sort
Okay,
man.
of bond.
listen to this.
Suing
Listen,
is suing.
Or
It ain't
fighting.
let me
official. It
tell
ain't
you
no
what
G. It
happened.
ain't a
Nigga,
G
that means
move.
you
Listen,
stood in front of a
my nigga,
judge and
we
told
was
the
in a,
judge
these
this
niggas
nigga
acting
beat
like
Let
they
That
me
your
know.
nigga
ass.
can
wrote
I
out a
can I
statement.
Make him
clarify
calling up
something,
real
Bro,
bad now.
guys?
you
Make
Phoenix,
him
we gonna
calling
need
up
hold on,
real
hold on, hold
bad
on.
on Mike.
Can
What'd you
the
say,
attorney
Be
speak?
Phoenix?
kicking people,
Hold
man.
on, hold on. Can
We
the
will be
attorney
kicking
speak?
people off the stage if y'all
Crazy.
can't understand the one mic policy. I don't care
Yeah,
who
you
you
got.
are.
Yeah. Can we let the attorney
Listen,
Go ahead,
speak,
it's one
please?
Phoenix.
mic.
Okay, I just want to say that judges are in fact enforcers of the law, thereby law enforcement officers, whether they are civil or criminal judges. And as such, when you file a civil complaint in civil court, you are making law enforcement aware of the facts of a case, whether that is a tortious claim or a criminal claim made by
That's
the
not
state.
snitching. I don't care what you talking about. You a lawyer, nigga.
It's
You ain't no
still
criminal.
it's
You
still
coming on here with
making law
legalities that we
enforcement.
already know. But you telling us something we already
Well, you're claiming that it's not
You're
snitching.
claiming it ain't snitching.
If snitching
You
involves
wrote out a
making law
statement.
enforcement aware of certain conduct that is unlawful, then yes, that's snitching.
Had
Hey,
a
yo,
tail
hey,
to
yo,
Think
40.
wag.
about
Can
it.
I ask you a question? Yo, 40.
Go ahead, bro. Answer ask the question. See if he answer.
I just want to ask this question real quick. So if Plies would have filed a lawsuit against you, would you call that snitching?
He might be on mute.
I think
Take
somebody
yourself
gooed
off
him.
mute. There you
Forty
go. There
They
you go.
goo
He
him?
right
on
there.
mute.
No, he right there. He took
He
off
right
mute. He
there.
got off mute.
Unmute yourself.
Ask him again. Ask him again, Harlem. He right there. Hey, yo, 40. So if
they keep
Plies would have
muting.
filed a lawsuit against you, is that snitching?
No.
Yo, 40, what you say your attorney name was?
Far high.
If you stand on a stand, that's snitching.
You wrote a
Then
statement
then
out,
you tell him,
nigga.
listen. Let me tell y'all something, bruh. In a civil lawsuit, my nigga, it's a civil law. If I so you telling me I could go file a civil law right to sue right now and say, yo, bad breath giving me a headache. I want to sue you for $100 million.
That
Long as
ain't
I pay
what you
my court
did,
fees,
though.
listen, let me
You
finish.
did some
Long as I
street
pay my
shit, a
court
fight,
fees, let
nigga.
me finish. See, he don't want y'all to let me finish.
Nah, because,
Hold
bro,
on,
I'm
hold on,
all
Listen,
Wack, hold on,
for
Wack,
long as
hold
it.
on, Wack.
see, he don't want
Hold
y'all to
on, Wack.
know real
Nah, bro,
talk, bruh.
because it's
I
the
mean, I
Because
thing,
think
real
bro.
he's
motherfuckers
asking
in the
You
streets
me.
don't know
cannot
this
I
game.
think
compare a
he's
street
asking me
fight,
to
crippin'
Listen,
blood
clarify.
shit going on to
motherfuckers,
a
my
lady
nigga,
that
he asked
ran
me
and
a
rear-ended
question.
you in your
He asked
car,
me a
bro.
question. He didn't ask you,
It's
bruh.
the nature of the
Is y'all
complaint.
gonna let me talk? The nigga asked me a question. Or
Go
Shut
y'all
ahead,
up
gonna
go
and
ahead,
keep
talk.
go
talking
ahead,
over me every
go
time,
ahead,
bruh?
go ahead, 40.
The nigga said how am whatever he said. Now I'm telling you this. If I want to file a lawsuit right now and say your breath stinking and give me a headache, and I could make it for $100 million. I pay my court fees and I go pay me a lawyer and I tell him I want to sue you. He's gonna say, okay, let's do it. Now, if the judge and we say prove that your breath gave me a headache, my nigga, that is not snitching civil court, cuz y'all got the whole wrong inspector. That's why these niggas fronted to y'all and said he called the police. He sent the police over my house. That's you don't remember in the tape. He ran. Y'all remember this part? He got in the car and he drove off. And then at the end of the tape, he saw himself running on some feet and say, "Yeah, it's called the police too." It
But
was
40,
all
hold on,
fake,
hold on,
bruh.
40, 40. I
They
got a
made
real
a tape,
How
question.
bruh.
you
Hold
comparing
on,
some
Wack,
street
hold
squabble?
on, Wack. This is one real question for the brother, for real, for real. And this is real talk. Are there any other Colton City, Roland, whatever, any other Crips that got into a physical altercation with another man and took him to court?
Fuck
There's
no.
no need to. They ain't got into no physical
Fuck
thing
no.
with a motherfucker that faked the tape. He
Oh,
Hey,
faked a
day
fake
man.
one.
movie.
Hey,
My
day
nigga, he
Daquan,
made
one.
hold
a
on, hold
fake
on.
movie.
Day
Listen, he's
Damn.
an entertainer. I'm an entertainer. We get paid
one.
for entertainment. Don't use me for entertainment. If we
Oh,
get
this
down in the
nigga
streets,
here.
let's get down for real.
Why
Bro,
did
you
I
you
didn't do
you
nothing
record
to
the
you
Wayne
Little
and
okay,
Baby
Wayne
them.
Kim?
thing
Why
then,
you
nigga?
record
No,
Lil
I
Wayne
didn't
them
do
then,
that.
bro?
No, my nigga, y'all changing the narrative to the Lil Wayne and Baby thing.
No, you
We
changing the
didn't do that.
narrative.
We
You can
blocked them off
record
in the
another
street.
nigga can too.
No, we blocked them off in the street, and y'all just mad because they got bitched out, my nigga. Maybe because y'all
You
think they
never even
bloods or something,
seen
but they weren't
nobody,
bloods,
bro.
bro. We
No,
had bloods with us.
we
But
didn't
you
see
got
nothing
Hey,
bitched
let me
happen
out
to
ask you
though.
them. We
something.
seen
So
something
you
happen
talking
to
up? Wait.
you, so you got bitched out.
No,
Yeah,
no.
you got
What
bitched
happened?
out.
Hey,
What
day
what happened
one.
with you and Menace then? Since you saying that game fight was fucked up. What happened when you and Menace when he whooped your ass head up?
No, I got jumped with Menace now. Me and Menace
Oh,
was
you
snapping, and that
always
nigga
got
Oh
started jumping
jumped.
me.
my
It's
goodness.
on tape, my
What
nigga.
the
Y'all see all
hell?
the niggas jumping me. It's on
It's on
tape.
the table game fighting you head up and you say he jumped you.
No, bro, you ain't got gang
Maybe
fighting
he
me head up.
beat you
Come on,
so
my nigga.
bad you
That's why
thought
y'all
you
edit
was
the
getting
tape.
jumped.
My nigga, you edited the tape. Come on, cuz. Keep it 1,000. Keep
This
it
nigga
1,000.
I
here.
have a
And
question for
Menace didn't have
40.
no
You
guns,
talking
neither.
about
Me
a
and
nigga that
Menace
ain't
never
never
had all
sold 10
hands.
records.
Who said they
Me and
had a
Menace had
question?
all
This
hands.
dude been trying to get into the
Hey, and I'm
industry
gonna keep it 100
somehow,
with y'all.
some
Hold on, I'm
way.
gonna give y'all something y'all don't know. Me and Menace have spoke since then, cuz. All that shit, you know what I mean? We spoke since then and da da da. So, you know what I mean? Don't let these niggas with this fake ass perception of what they doing, cuz. You
Hey, let
understand?
me ask you
I
a
Hey,
just
question, bro.
sometimes I just
hey,
What
listen.
does
y'all don't
y'all
realize what
speaking
he
after
doing?
he beat your ass got to
Hey,
do with anything?
hey, y'all don't realize
I
what he
know,
doing?
I'm
I
saying y'all
know.
don't
He
know the
getting
situation. You
Hey,
don't know
followers
the
bro,
and all
what
that,
makes
situation.
what
bro.
you did not snitching?
I just told you. I just told
But
you
the attorney on here is
listen, if I sue you right now and say you got bad breath and you gave me a headache, and I sue you for $100 million, and I
You
win, is
can't
that
compare the
50?
two.
I asked you,
There's
is it
no
50?
comparison.
How is it no
Bro,
There's no
comparison? A lawsuit is a lawsuit.
No,
What the
that's
no,
fuck
it's
you?
not.
not.
That's not
Telling is
true.
You just
telling.
Street,
changing the narrative. You
street.
bro,
Okay,
do you
you
know
can you
changing the
stop
do
narrative.
you know
yelling?
snitching is
Who
going in
changed the
front of the
narrative?
judge
A
and giving
female,
you
Oh,
back?
this whack
Yeah,
ass nigga. Who changed
I
the
think we're
narrative?
going around. We're going
Okay,
around in circles,
40. Can we
and we
stop
missing.
screaming? Because I would
Yeah,
Hey,
like
we can
to,
stop
you and
screaming.
I,
We can stop
hey,
you and
screaming. Let's go.
street they
40,
use it like
40,
the system
excuse
is
me.
right. Only a
One mic
Hold on.
on
just
Let
me
do
right
use it.
now.
one
One
mic.
mic
One
Hold
on
on.
mic.
One mic.
me.
Let Phoenix talk. Go ahead, Phoenix.
Okay, so 40, can you hear me fine?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, let's not scream because that's obnoxious to everybody listening, including
All right.
me.
Go ahead,
Okay,
speak.
so snitching, is okay under criminal law, right? There's like a formal procedure for confidential informants. They're protected under federal law. That's formal snitching and criminal procedures. What is being put on the floor here, which I do agree with, as it relates to street culture, is that
No, it doesn't
is
relate to
that
street culture. They're
it doesn't.
making
Let
it
her
relate to
finish.
street
No,
culture.
no, 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 no. Right. Okay. So when you make law enforcement aware
No,
of,
there's no law enforcement aware.
did you
They were never
understand?
aware.
Wait, stop yelling at me. Did you
I'm not
understand what I
leveling at
said
you,
to
mama.
you?
I got a
Hey,
loud
Did you
voice.
one
understand?
mic. Hey, one
But
mic
you're
real
Hold on.
interrupting
quick,
me as
Doc.
well.
One mic.
Go
Did you
ahead.
One
Go
mic.
ahead.
understand when I explained to you that judges are enforcers of the law? That's the ultimate enforcer of the law. So if you get pulled over in your car for speeding, a law enforcement officer is going to give you a citation. When you go to the judge and he judges that you are responsible, he is the actual enforcer of the law. So that's what a judge does, whether it's in a criminal or a civil matter. So when you go before a judge in a criminal or a civil matter, you are making law enforcement aware of
Exactly.
unlawful conduct. And the unlawful conduct that is put on the floor today is a case involving battery resulting in what I assume would be a personal injury matter. I'm not privy to the actual complaint, but it seems to me that's what the allegations were, and that's what the monetary damages were for. It doesn't matter that it became a medical condition. The issue is that it resulted from unlawful conduct.
Ask him, was he under oath? Ask that.
Okay, it's presumed, but were you under oath when you made the statements that you made?
Is game under oath?
Phoenix, you
That's not
go
the
I need to
crazy.
hear.
question.
Listen,
What
listen.
Steve saying?
Now let me speak. You asking me questions every time
Yeah,
I talk.
okay,
Y'all
go
let
ahead.
this nigga speak. Then the
No, no,
female
no,
talking
no.
for this nigga. Y'all playing. Y'all putting her on like she's this
No,
ill
no,
lawyer.
no.
She
She
ain't
This one,
talking
she
for
ain't
me.
no
She's
ill
an
ass lawyer.
attorney.
She's speaking for the streets, and she ain't got nothing to do with no streets,
She's
nigga.
an
speaking for
What
the
kind of
attorney,
weird
streets.
shit I'm
nigga.
on right now?
she's a
But
lawyer, bro.
at the
I
end of
don't
the
give a
day,
fuck
she's
about it, but
speaking
she's
from.
Hold
telling you
on,
what a
hold on,
snitch
hold
is,
on,
nigga.
hold
That
on.
ain't no snitching. I just gave
But
you a whole
was you under
description.
oath?
So
Was
listen,
Was you
this
under
is what I'm
oath?
was you
saying.
under
Hold
oath
on.
on the
Are we
stand?
Hey,
talking to
bro,
me
do
or are
you
we
know?
talking to everybody else? Am I
All
Hey,
right,
talking?
everybody just let him talk.
They
This
never
nigga's
let me talk.
weird.
You asked me a question. Now, what I'm sitting here telling you is, she just said that snitching is of anything to do with a judge that's lawful or da da da. That's what she said. But she wants to describe it, say it's this, it's that, it's that. No, anything to do with a judge. So if you get in a car accident, you have to go in that courtroom for a car accident or anything or eviction, nigga, then you snitching. You
You don't
telling them that
got
you
to.
didn't
You
put
So
don't
no
got
I'm
red
to.
gonna
mark
go.
on
I'm
your
nah,
gonna.
property,
bro.
you got roaches and da
Street.
da da.
Insurance
You
agents deal
snitching.
with that,
Come on,
bro.
bro,
Come
stop
on.
playing, my nigga.
Insurance. Hey, I
Y'all
just
playing
got
with the
hit.
narrative.
Motherfucker just rear into me. Nigga, I talked to my agent. Did that shit. Ain't no courts involved. Ain't none of that involved,
That's
bro.
because
It
you
all,
settled
Hold
out,
on, hold on,
dumbass.
hold on,
That's
hold
what I'm
on,
saying.
hold
You
on.
don't really fight no
what
cases
do you
because you
mean
a fraud,
settled
nigga.
out?
Oh, my mama, you a
It's
fraud,
no
nigga. That's when
settled
you
out.
settle
That's
out.
insurance.
That's
Did
when you
you
settle
take,
out.
was
That's when
you
you
under
settle
oath
out.
when you gave your statements on the stand? Yes or no?
Do you see how this nigga just cut me off? Y'all
Yes
let
or
this nigga talk
no?
on me. Y'all don't say one mic or none of that
That's
bullshit.
my question. Was you under oath when you got on the stand and said
Dame and
everything
me
you
were
did
under
to you?
oath. Dame and me were under oath.
Bro, you got us in court. We defended. I'm
Did Dame
saying
get
the
on there and
allegations you
did he
made, you
tell a
did under
judge
oath.
that I what type of gangbanger I was and real street shit that I've been in and that shit wasn't nothing?
What
Did they
did
do
they
that? Yeah,
tell
they
you to
did all
point
that, nigga.
game out in the courtroom?
Uh-oh.
The game point me out. He's standing right on the side of me. What do you mean? I didn't
Yes or
have to point
no?
him out.
Did they tell you to point out the assailant that attacked you in the courtroom?
I can't even remember that
Oh,
part, but I
all
know they asked
right,
him.
Nah,
all
you
I
right.
know they
remember.
asked him too.
You
I don't
remember.
know if they asked him who I am neither though. I don't remember that part. I'm
He
gonna tell you
wasn't,
why I don't
bro.
remember it
He's the
because listen,
defendant.
let me tell you what kind of kangaroo court we was in. Game was literally in this motherfucker doing the nanny boo boo, putting his hands in his ears and going nanny boo boo, like oh my mama,
What are
cuz
you talking
this is the
about,
weird ass court we was in. Like I got a lot of laughs out the
bro?
shit. He got
Listen,
a lot of laughs out the
listen.
shit. At the end of the
Did
day,
you
they laugh,
point
and on
out?
my
You
mama,
telling
they
me
know it's
they
on in the
didn't ask
street.
you to point
That's
out?
what it is. Like, don't try to
Did
make
you
it more than it is. Come on,
did
cuz.
you point him out in the courtroom, bro? You don't
Put
remember,
9 point niggas out and you calling that nigga civilian?
bro? I wasn't in the
Hey, we
courtroom.
talking about you. You said
You.
you a gangbanger. You a crip.
This happened 8 years before 6ix9ine
Really was
even
fucked up
exists,
though.
nigga.
I told the courts I ain't no crip and I ain't no gangbanger, nigga. What is you
No,
talking about?
did you point out Game in the courtroom to say that's the man that attacked me?
Did I tell the court I ain't no crip and I ain't no gangbanger?
Y'all see he won't answer, bro. I'm gone. Come on, my
Yeah,
nigga.
yeah,
I'm
he
out,
won't
bro.
My
say
nigga,
it.
cause you ain't saying nothing.
What do you
Nah,
You're
you
not
mean?
just
saying
basically
nothing.
told us you a liar then, so nothing you say is
And the
credible.
thing,
Did you not
I just
point out
exposed you niggas in
Game
the gang of lies,
as
bro.
the
Stop
one that
playing on this
attacked you?
motherfucker.
Yes or no?
What'd you say?
Did you did you not
Fucked
point
up though.
Game out on the stand as the motherfucking one that attacked you?
You tell me.
Oh my God.
If
All
you got the
right,
Did he
bro.
whack?
paperwork, tell
Did
me.
he?
No, my
Did
nigga,
he
You
because
whack?
listen,
motherfucking
I
right he
told you I
did.
keep it 1,000. I keep
You
it
fucking
1,000. If
right
it's
he
on
did. What
paperwork,
the
show it
fuck?
to me.
Hey,
If
if
it's
he
on
wouldn't have
paperwork, show
pointed
it
him
to me.
out, it wouldn't have been a second court
I
date.
don't I don't remember pointing out shit. I didn't give a
Alright.
fuck. I'm in there for the money. The judge
40
said she
Glock.
didn't
How,
believe
Really
me.
was
hey,
fucked
how
up
you
though.
win the lawsuit? How'd you
So,
win the money? How'd you win the
somebody,
lawsuit if you
somebody
didn't
had to
point him
point
out?
him out. Somebody had to point him out. Shit.
Yeah,
What you
how'd you
mean?
win
How
the
they point?
lawsuit?
My nigga, he
How they
comes to
how
court.
they
You
know
follow.
who to get the money
Listen,
from?
if your
Who
name
did
is
you
Boo
sue?
Blue Buju,
You
I
had to
file a lawsuit on you.
identify
You
who
come to
you were
court.
suing and for
My
what
nigga, y'all
reason.
trying. You niggas is really trying to turn an eviction court into a criminal
You
court.
had
Like
to, this
you
ain't no
niggas is
fucking
weird.
eviction court.
Cuz on Crip, you niggas is really weird,
We
cuz.
was never
I'm
your
really dealing with some
landlord.
weirdo.
We was never your
Wack, if
landlord.
Interscope
You
don't pay
fucking
you your
lying.
money, you gonna get
Hold
killed.
on a second. We're gonna reset the room. Tink, reset the room.
Wait. So what she mean? This is Trife speaking. When she say that, unless you as a female, unless you have some direct involvement in the conversation at hand, the ask is that females just not engage
Oh,
with.
so then I will be the only one to get to say something. Okay, bet.
That's what
There you
she
go.
she was trying to refer to, Queen. All right. So unless you have the relationship like Keita has, just hearing the conversation and being a female and just interjecting your questions, what she's saying is a man can ask the same question that we're based on what we're hearing. But if you have direct involvement, then you have the right as a female to be part of the conversation. All right.
So I have a
Hey,
question as
hey, I heard
well.
Keita beat 40
female,
Glock up.
I'll slap the
I have a
No,
fuck out
but
of
the
him at
female.
reason,
Club
no,
Empire.
I
the
have a
reason why
Who's
question.
he
like that?
So a
Just throwing
female,
just throwing innuendos out there. They going to the goo.
so
Facts.
a female
yeah, hey, and
attorney
if
with a legal
but
interpretation
What he
related
just
to the
said was an
yeah,
subject
but
actual
hold
matter is
fact.
not
on.
welcome on the stage as well.
No, Phoenix,
Wait, who
listen.
is
The
this?
reason why he
I ain't
say
never
that
had no
because
bitch
if it
slap me on Code
hold
Crip.
Phoenix and
on,
talk.
hold on.
I've
If
never
we
had a
get if
female
because
slap
if a
Hey,
me.
man get
what
Ain't
you
no
say,
bitch in their
listen,
man?
life ever slapped
Hey,
me
chill
on
if a
out,
Code
man
Crip.
man.
get disrespectful,
Stage
if
like
a
that
man
shit
gets
didn't happen at Club
uh,
Empire with Meek Mill. Don't act like I didn't throw a bottle at him and sock the fuck out of your ass. Don't act like it didn't happen.
Is she talking to me?
I'm
Yeah,
talking
she
to
talking to
you,
you.
nigga.
I don't even know who this is, nigga, on Code Crip. I ain't never got hit with no
Yeah,
bottle. I ain't
okay.
never did no
You
show with
thought you
Meek
was
Mill.
finna run up on Meek Mill while I was getting into it with the nigga, and I slapped the nigga in the head with a bottle and fired on
Who?
your motherfucking ass.
Where's
Don't
this
act
at?
like you didn't forget, nigga.
Well,
It's a few
motherfucker, I didn't
people on the
forgot. I don't know
stage
who the
that was
fuck you
there.
think you talking to on Code Crip. Ain't
I'm
no
talking
bitch ever
to
got at
your
me,
weird
nigga.
ass.
I beat up bitches and niggas, nigga. You got me
Oh, you
fucked
beat up
up.
bitches?
We not
Okay,
gonna
On
bet.
talk
Code
We'll
to
see
him.
Crip,
about it.
a bitch hit me with a bottle. I beat the
You
dog
didn't
shit
do
Keita,
a
he
out of
don't
her.
even know
motherfucking
who he
Oh
thing.
talking to
wow.
right
You
now.
didn't do shit.
Man, a bitch
Okay?
hit me
You didn't do
I
nothing.
beat her
You
ass.
didn't do a goddamn thing at that club to
What
me.
I
You
do,
Hey,
couldn't.
why
none?
you
What
didn't?
I do,
Hey,
none?
you beat up bitches and niggas. Why you
Why you
didn't
do
beat up
that
the
to the
gang?
game?
but hold on,
Like
be
again,
careful. He might take you
if
to
a bitch
court,
got a
Keita.
gun, I
You
can't
didn't
beat
do
a
a
bitch up and I beat a
motherfucking
bitch.
thing at
Him and
that
Yeah,
club.
who
Suge is
That's
from
asking
the
a
it.
dumbass
same
question
world.
like that?
Him and Suge is homies. They both tell him about niggas got guns. Him and
Come on,
Suge.
my
Y'all
nigga.
should go be
This is a
cellies, my nigga.
weirdo room. You got a female on here faking like she got
Do
into
you
with
know who I am,
You don't
40
even know
Glock?
who that
No,
is.
I
You might
don't
want to
know
Do
who
watch
you
your
you is.
tongue,
I
my
asked her
nigga.
hold
one
on, hold
time.
on. Do you know who I am? Do you want
No,
to
I
know who
don't
I
know who
am?
you is.
Do
No.
you want to
Yeah,
know who I am?
yeah,
Yes.
I'm schoolboy Q homegirl and big U niece, nigga. You know exactly who the fuck I am. Club Empire. I was in a motherfucking VIP right next to Meek Mill. Meek Mill also told me to move. You thought you was finna run up and approach Meek Mill on some more weird shit, nigga. I bopped his ass and bopped your ass too. You did nothing, nigga. Nada, nothing.
You gonna have a
The
lawsuit next
replays is
week.
on, Kita.
He's
I wouldn't
starting
give
it
a
right
fuck.
now.
Keita with the smoke, I can tell you that right
I've
now.
never been
Bro,
to a
she
club
ain't
with Meek
lying,
Mill.
my nigga. That's what
People
she
going to
do.
court
I've
next
never in
year.
my life been to a club with Meek Mill.
You a fucking
Please,
lie,
Oh,
nigga.
wow.
Don't lie.
Meek Mill, if you hear this, please get on Twitter and tell me any club that I've been to
Meek
you
Mill already know
got a
what
club
time
with
it
you at.
was.
If you
Cassidy
on
wrote
your
a song
Twitter or
about it.
you on anything, announce
Cassidy
this and
already
say
wrote
that
a
me and
song
you ever
about it.
been in
So
a
Meek
thing.
don't
I've
need
never
to
been in a
address
club with
shit.
Meek Mill.
Cassidy wrote a
why would
song
she
about it,
lie?
nigga.
Why would she
You
lie
didn't
in
forget
front of
he
a
got his
thousand
Sound
people
eviction
like
just
notice
Cat.
on
talking to you, bro?
same night.
Lil Mama, I don't know you.
Don't
I know
act
you want to be
Getting all
involved, but
over
I
the
don't
place with
know
this
you.
It's
I
Lil
never
conversation.
been
want to
Mama
talk
hit by
now.
about
anyone.
Wack
What?
and you want to talk
You
about
know that
gang,
battle.
but you don't want to admit what the fuck happened to you. Meek admitted it. That's why his
Lil Mama,
eviction notice got
this is
signed.
real comical
I
on
ain't
God.
your
I've
lil
never
mama.
met you and don't know you.
But since you sock bitches, I'm in the IE now. We'll see about it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, what the fuck is you saying?
You
You
about to
said
get
you
your
Allegedly.
ass
sock
Like, what
beat.
the
bitches.
That
fuck?
nigga
What
is
I'm
not
supposed
in
to
the
say?
IE, man. That nigga don't
You
even live
Be
in
sound
careful,
stupid as a
Chicago.
kid. He about to sue
motherfucker.
your ass.
Man, I'm not finna
He
go.
can
I don't
sue
even
me.
know who you is. I don't know
Allegedly.
what you look like. You on the internet and you saying that you hit me with a
We're
bottle
gonna
and
see
I
about
ran
it.
from you. Come on, little
That
mama. I've never
definitely
been in the
happened
club
on
with you.
my kids.
I've
Yes, you
you
was in there
He
with
maybe
me.
went
you don't
from
know
me
what I
beat
look like.
You
bitches
were
up to
in
Lil
there.
Mama.
Will somebody show her a picture of me?
Now I went from a
I've
bitch to
never
little
been in no
mama. Now that
club
I
with
She
no
got a
don't
Meek
need,
who
Mill,
she
I
bro.
know
am.
who you is, nigga. She been
I've
around us
never in
20
my life,
years.
I've never in my life been in a club with Meek Mill. Ever in my
Yes, you
life.
were, nigga.
I,
Yes, you were. Don't
cuz
lie
this
on
shit
my
sounds
kids,
stupid.
nigga.
God.
I don't.
So do
Okay,
I
tell
need to
me what,
ping
little
somebody in here
mama.
that was there?
Okay, this is where I'm gonna fuck your head up at.
Don't call. No,
Okay,
no,
tell me
don't
what.
call me little mama. Keep what
Okay,
you
tell
said.
me where the
Remember, I
club
was
was
a
at.
bitch first. I was a
Whoever
bitch
you
first.
is,
Remember,
tell me
keep
where
it.
the club was at. Whoever
It
you
was
is,
Club
tell me where the club.
Empire in Hollywood, goofy.
That nigga
I've
must be
never been to
bitching
a
little
club
mama.
Empire in Hollywood. Never.
Oh,
You're
this
a
nigga
fucking liar,
crazy.
nigga.
What street is it on?
So you're gonna lie
And
and
what
say
year
you
was
wasn't
this?
no Hollywood
Down the
divine.
street from the motherfucking courtroom you had us in. That's
Okay,
where
now
it's
tell
at.
me.
Exactly.
Okay,
I'm
now
dead.
listen,
She hit you
listen.
that hard
Okay,
with
now
that
let's say
bottle?
that's true.
Same
What year was
perimeter,
this?
nigga.
What year was this?
Same year that Cassidy wrote the diss song for Meek Mill, said he signed his eviction notice. So I don't
You
know
act
why
like
you
I
in here
keep up with
capping,
Cassidy. I
like
don't know
you
what
wasn't
even
there,
eviction you talking about. I'm thinking you talking about
a
a
bad
house,
boy
man.
for
I don't know
corrupting
what you
them. You
talk.
were a bad boy. You were from
What the
Colton.
fuck
It's
is that?
about 10 niggas in Colton. That's not even the streets. That's the fucking suburbs. I've
Is
been
y'all
quiet this
listening
whole
to this?
time, but you on
Hey,
here
salute
capping
to
me,
Oh, it's
nigga.
some
You
Man,
real
ain't
I live
niggas
in the
over there in the
projects,
zoo. I
man. I'm
can't
saying
front.
I'm from the
It's
zoo.
some
barely.
real niggas
You
over
don't know
there.
what you talking about, man. Get that. I'm entertaining a conversation with a
Oh,
straight
San Bernardino
a J
conversation, then
cat.
I'll
I don't know
believe it.
who this is, and on my mama, it's a really irrelevant. It's like entertaining Tom and Jerry. Like I
Bro,
don't even know.
why is she
When
gonna
you make
lie
the
about
call and
socking
figure
you?
out
What
who
she
I
You
gang
am,
tell
bang?
then
me. You tell me
when
why
you
she
make
lying.
the
I
Next
really
call,
can't
topic.
figure it out.
40
I
Glock, when
got
you make the
into it with
call,
minutes. I
40
got
Glock, I
into
can
it minutes.
promise
I
you,
got into it
call
with
minutes
gang.
and tell minutes
I
who
got into
who you
it with a
talking
gang
to.
of niggas. So why I don't remember
You
getting
ain't
into it
get
with a
into it
female?
with game.
I bet you if you call Compton Minutes right now, he gonna tell you fucked up calling me a bitch. Bet that.
Hey, maybe you was drunk, bro.
Because he
That's
the same
why
nigga
he
I had to
scary
hang with.
ass calling her
Look, man, I'm
little
not
mama
finna
now.
entertain this dumb ass shit. Next question.
You scared now,
This
huh?
shit sounds stupid as fuck.
Who he talking to? That's why he got a little nervous.
Nigga, on God, I don't know who I'm talking to. And
Yeah,
I don't
okay.
give
You know.
two flying
All right,
fucks,
next
nigga.
question.
Oh,
Stop
All right,
picking on her,
40
man.
Glock. 40
There
Glock,
ain't
next
nobody
question.
picking on me, nigga.
Hey,
She
if
can run her
somebody,
mouth
say
all
for
she
instance,
want, nigga. That's a
He
J
hit
cat.
me
Nigga, I don't
so
know what the
hard I
fuck
can
that
no
is,
Hey,
nigga.
longer
we
get
all
up.
Picking
picking
on
on you.
you,
Hey,
Shut
man.
up.
I'm
Hey,
so I can't get an erection to satisfy
40
my.
Glock.
I can't have kids. My
Okay,
penis
is we
doesn't get
playing or you
hard
niggas got some real
anymore.
Hey,
shit to
40
talk about?
Glock.
So we gonna play or you got some real shit to talk about? Because nigga, I wanna know
Really
what is you
said
doing
under
with this
oath.
snitch? Listen, I wanna
Did
know
you
you
really
talking all
say
this
that under
gangster shit,
oath?
you big Pyru, and you kicking it with a
Keep
hardcore
Paru
snitch
out
that
your
send
mouth
niggas to jail, my
before
nigga.
I call your homies again, nigga. I
Come
already
on,
called
cuz.
them once.
Come on. Well, let's get cracking.
Yeah,
You
I
know how
already
I get
called
down.
them once, nigga.
You
You
know how I
already
get
said
down.
mean?
You know my
Right?
get down.
I
Well, why
said
you
the
don't get
boogie
down with
man.
me? I hear you on the internet calling out face. Why you don't get down with me, cuz?
I,
Hey, 40 Glove.
for what? For you to sue me?
So
I'm
you got
not
an
a
excuse.
threat to you. Hey,
You scared
listen.
of a lawsuit?
I'm
Listen, so
not
you
a
scared of a
threat to
lawsuit
you.
now?
I'm
First you
not
said
How
nothing to you,
tall are
I
you,
didn't did
40?
sir.
nothing. What are you scared from a
You
lawsuit for then?
win.
Come on, cuz you
Now
a
you
bust ass
know
nigga.
if you pull up on me,
Okay,
how it's
nigga,
gonna
I'll break
go.
your motherfucking jaw, nigga.
Then
What
why
you
you
mean?
never
What he
pulled up
scared of a
on me?
lawsuit for, nigga? Cause you
Okay, why
snitches,
James
nigga.
can get out?
You
Hey,
sue
you
niggas.
can't get sued for a legal fight, Wack. We can get out on Thriller.
What
Tell
the
Snoop
fuck you
holler.
mean?
Tell Snoop holler. We can get out on Thriller.
Bro, you
Hey,
want some
40,
money.
do you
That's what it
think I'm
is.
gonna do
We can get
anything
out.
to
Or we
give
could
you? Hey,
call
look,
Jab
hey,
Judah and
listen.
get out. Jab
Hey,
Judah got
40
a
God, let
fight
me
club
let you
on my
know.
mama. We can get out on Jab
Hey,
Judah.
let me
Me,
let me
you,
let you
and I
understand
get down
something.
with game on Code Crip,
40,
nigga.
hey, 40, let me let you
Line it up.
understand something. I'm
Nigga.
rich.
$34.
You
Nigga,
not.
all you doing is
Right?
talking to my nigga.
I'm rich, you not. Everything you want to do, I've been doing, right? You will
Listen, my
never
nigga.
get no
Hey,
platform to
my nigga.
shine from me. It won't happen. But what you will get
Did,
is some attention
you not on
in
the
these
internet
streets.
calling rules saying you want to do an interview about 40 Glocc? Nobody knew who the fuck you was, bro. Come on, my nigga.
What?
You've been clout chasing me
An
since
interview
day
about
one, nigga.
40 Glock,
On my
Nobody
dick,
know
motherfucker.
who
bro.
you are.
40. Hey, 40, so you telling me in this game, in this business, like, let's just for real. You think you get the fucking popularity vote? You do? You really don't believe no shit like that, do you?
Why? Because you feel like you on the internet, you got a popularity vote?
Fuck the internet. I'm
Nigga, if
just,
you getting down for the Damus, come get down with this Crip, cuz on Come Crip, I'll
you
beat the
are
brakes
not
off
a
your bitch
Crip.
ass. On my mama, get
Crips
down with
do
this
not
Crip, I'll
take
beat the brakes
bloods
off your
to
bitch ass.
civil court.
Bro,
Okay,
you
did I
don't
beat you
tell
niggas
if
up
he
You
after
knock
that?
you
do
Did
out.
y'all
not,
did
you
y'all
are
tell that
not a
in court?
Crip.
Put that paperwork up. It's
You
gonna
are
tell
not
y'all
gonna,
put
hey
that in
look,
court that what I
Crips are
did to Kato.
representations of the West Coast, my
Nigga,
nigga.
you ain't
As
telling me the
Bloods and
police,
Power
nigga.
Rules is,
On my mama,
and
you the
you are
police.
not a representation of what the West Coast is. Crips do not do that, bro.
I'ma let you talk.
They
All right,
don't
40
do
got it.
that.
Now,
Real
nigga, on my
Crips
mama.
do not
But
take niggas to court, bro.
I don't care. Now, on my mama, I
Real
let you talk.
Colton Crips
I
don't
let
take
this
niggas to
nigga
court.
talk, man. Y'all don't let me speak for shit.
I mean,
Give me
I'm
40
done
Glock.
with it. You
This is
already,
a
you
Wack
know.
100 platform, my nigga.
I'm just waiting for them to
I
send me
heard.
the shit talking
Hold on, one
PTR.
mic.
That's it.
I heard you spoke enough in court.
Yeah, this ain't Wack 100 platform, bro. This is definitely cloud chasing,
Well,
bro.
everybody acting like it's a Wack 100
No,
platform.
No,
we
you
gave
just
you
made
your
These
it.
are all the
voice,
people that be.
and
I
we
don't know how
gave
this
Wack
club
his
work.
voice, bro. I
Oh,
don't get it.
okay. Listen,
You know
I
how
Hey,
the
don't know who
40,
courts
you is,
work,
hey,
nigga.
nigga.
40, look.
I hear
I'll
you.
be the first one to say this to help you feel a little bit better, man. Fuck Whack 100. This ain't his platform, my nigga. Speak your mind.
Y'all niggas crazy.
Wait, hold
But
on. Blast, I'm
listen,
glad you here. Hey, Blast.
I
40
don't know.
Glock said, all I did was 2 years in the pen.
2 years in the pen, nigga. You did
That's what
5,
you
right?
said.
You did 5, right?
I mean, you just said I did 2.
Couldn't
I told you you
respond,
did
blood.
3 years YA.
Yeah, but that's before I went to the pen. You said I did 2 years in the penitentiary. What
So
you
what'd you
said, right?
do? 3 years in the
This
pen with
man
them
was on the
officers?
yard with me for
Swear I'm
longer
off
than
of
that.
here.
On 1 yard,
Listen,
after I
first
came
of all,
from
you
one
safe
pen
in
and
the
left and
pen.
went to another.
First of all, you safe in the pen, cuz. Come on, my
I'm
nigga.
safe.
Yeah, you safe in the pen.
Blast, what
Back
is
You
this
then,
safe
nigga
in
talking
jail.
about?
maybe
Nigga,
today.
jail safe as hell, nigga. Come on, cuz. You niggas get on here with that
Hey,
penitentiary
bro,
talk.
it was
On my
only
mama,
one
jail
dude
safe
from
as
the
hell, nigga.
IE that we gave major respect for in that yard, which is the homie Pooh Nanny, right? Pooh Nanny wasn't for nothing. I still don't know where Pooh Nanny was from, nigga. We was a Crip of blood. I didn't know he was from the IE, right? It's real niggas from your neighborhood. You not one of them. I didn't did
I ain't
time
got
with
no
him.
poo nanny from nigga on code, and I'm a factor from
You know who
from
Pooh Nanny is.
IE,
You
from
might want to
San
watch your
Bernardino
mouth, though,
all
because
through
he
there,
is
nigga. You
home.
got me fucked up, low.
Pooh Nanny
On
is
code, you
home. You
ain't
might
got
want to
no
watch your
rank
mouth.
over me with nothing, nigga. On code, you a
And I
female.
Hey,
will
you ain't
tell you
been to
this.
the zoo since '08.
And I
Man,
would. You ain't. Now
who
he
told
ain't
you
been
that
over there.
dumb ass
That nigga
shit?
tried to go to a funeral thinking it was
Who
all
told you
love.
that dumb ass shit?
Hey, listen. Hey,
Come on,
what
cuz
that
you on here
Paru
still
felt like.
snitching. You still what you want to talk about me getting shot? You want to tell who did it? You still
Oh
snitching?
shit!
You the police, nigga.
He went to a
Nah.
funeral. What happened?
Ask him what happened at
What
his
It's
happened?
homie
all over.
funeral.
It was on TMZ, nigga. Where you at, nigga? Y'all
Boy,
know
they
about our
popped
shit.
his motherfucking ass
I
at
got
that
shot
Why your
point
own
motherfucker.
blank
hood
range.
pop you at
I
a
got shot.
funeral?
Shout
What you
out to
say?
Why your
that's that
own hood
reach.
get off on you at a funeral?
That's called
Who
that
own hood
hand
got off on
blast.
my hood? Ain't got off on me, nigga. You
You a
believe in this
motherfucking
weird
lie.
ass nigga?
They
Come on,
didn't.
cuz you really
It wasn't your
when did
I'm
this?
enemy.
asking you. I ain't
When,
believing
That
him.
was
I'm
not
asking
your
you, brother.
enemy
I
shooting
just
up
told
your
you it didn't
homie's
happen.
funeral,
My
bro.
whole hood ain't did a goddamn thing.
That was not your enemy. That was internal, was it not?
What was internal?
Oh my!
The
What was
The nigga
gunplay
internal?
at
that
the
popped you
funeral.
ain't
What is
from
you doing? Is
your
you on
enemy
here
set.
snitching, cuz?
No, what
What is
you
you
mean?
doing?
You
You
listen.
said it was
You
on the
said
internet
You
already.
said it was on the internet.
it's on the internet, but nigga, we ain't talking about who did what and what it was about.
No, but don't act like it was some enemies came through shooting and you got hit. That ain't what happened.
All
It
I asked is
ain't.
what
But what
happened at the
happened? You
It
funeral.
tried
How
wasn't
to
did you
nothing
bring
get
there
this.
but
shot at a
Listen,
funeral?
homies.
nigga on Code Crip this nigga the police, nigga. And the police told me,
No,
nigga, they waiting on me to get retaliation. So,
nah,
bro,
bro.
you don't
Oh,
believe with
now
that
they waiting on
bullshit,
you
bro.
to get. They
Nigga
always
on
waiting
Code,
on
you the
niggas to
police.
get retaliation.
Y'all
We
know the
still
fake nigga on here
retaliate.
talking about murder investigations and all that, bro. On my mama, you
Hey,
was
listen.
bona
All
fide
the
snitch.
thing I'm
On
saying,
Code,
that
nigga,
was
y'all
the
got
closest
paperwork where
thing
you
you
did
gonna
V
get from
tip
a
on me,
kiss
my
from
nigga.
Wack, bro. That
Yeah,
was
you
a
did a
pat
V
on the
tip
back.
on me.
That's it.
Well, get down. On On Colton Crip, nigga, I get down with you live, nigga. On my mama, and I got motherfuckers that'll pay. And you know this motherfuckers that'll
Hey,
pay.
listen, 40.
You don't want
Why?
to catch
All you
these
gotta do
hands,
is
cuz.
pull
Don't
up
come and I
on
beat
me,
your fat pudgy ass, nigga. Fake Pyru
pull
ass,
up
nigga.
on me, get out, and you
I
know what
would
it's
beat
gonna
the
be.
Pyru out your ass on Lil Capone resting in peace,
Pull up
nigga.
Okay, but
on me.
y'all hear this nigga right
Pull
here,
up
but then he gonna
on
run
me.
and say, he gonna get on the court and say, I wanna sue him for 4 million
You
because
ain't got 4 million, nigga.
who ain't got 4 million?
Nigga, I just watched you get pushed. A bank teller tell you to get out of bank. They don't treat niggas with $4 million
She
like
told
that.
me to
You
get out
goofy
the
ass
bank for
nigga.
what
Get your
reason?
goofy ass out of here,
Why
you
did she tell
dumbass
me to
nigga.
get out the bank?
Anything for $1.
Why did she tell me to get out the bank?
Cause
Cause
you
that
black.
nigga, obviously, nigga, you ain't
She
got
said
no
I gave
honey.
her a fake ID. And right now, Wack finna eat like a motherfucking Chase Bank calling this shit out of me trying
What,
to
you finna sue him? You finna
what?
tell? You remember that snitching y'all just said?
What do you
What you finna
mean?
do? Sue him?
You
Then how you gonna
motherfucking
get
right I'm
paid out of
suing
that? You
Chase
gonna
Bank.
sue him? Shut your bitch ass
Yeah,
up,
I'm
nigga. Don't
suing
come me
Chase
Hey,
out.
that
Bank.
ain't no street shit, folks.
That ain't
Glock,
no
you supposed
street
to be a
shit,
It's a
crip,
dummy.
medical
What the
nigga.
fuck are you
company, bro.
talking
Sue
about?
him.
You supposed to
Nigga, a
be a
lawsuit, a
crip.
lawsuit, nigga. If you
No, it ain't.
Nah,
telling, telling is
No, it
telling,
ain't.
you
nigga.
sue him for
It ain't
getting
no
Nigga,
stumped
that's a
out,
whole
nigga. Shut up.
company,
Yeah,
bro.
Chase
telling
Yeah,
is
Bank,
yeah.
telling.
Chase Bank
Y'all
is
niggas is
Wack
Chase
biased.
100.
Bank
Y'all
told
niggas
me
is
Chase
I
Bank
gave
biased.
is
them
Y'all
a
niggas in
fake
here playing.
ID. Nigga, the identification was turned over,
How
and
can
they
you
said
tell on
this is
somebody
not a
that told
fake
on themselves?
ID.
They
And you
recorded
denied
it in
this
the
man's
interview
service
telling everything
and
that
closed
happened,
his
and you
accounts
telling now
down.
you talking about I snitched. Tell
You
me
did.
that. This is my question for y'all. How can you tell on somebody that tell on themselves? They recorded it and they
Hey,
told
Bro,
No,
you
they
everything.
didn't.
executed
Police didn't
court,
come
Everything.
to our.
nigga.
You filed it, bro. You had to file.
Are you
Police
listening to
didn't
me?
knock on niggas' doors, bro. You filed, nigga.
Is y'all finna let
you
me talk
said
or
you
y'all
You
filed.
is y'all
filed.
gonna let them talk over me? I got a question
I'm
now. I
done.
keep letting these niggas talk. Y'all say it's not a biased room and y'all keeping it honey, but y'all keep letting these niggas just ramble over me with jokes and bullshit. I'm talking real shit.
You gotta be biased. You gotta be biased though. Everybody gotta get their shit
Nah,
off.
this is a non-biased platform, so we
If
do
it
not
really is,
condone
then
any
show it because I don't think
bias.
nobody
Who
on here
said you
think
got to
that.
be biased? Who said that
Yeah,
though?
this
Who
is a
said you got to be
non-biased
biased? But who
platform.
said
No,
that
Yeah,
though?
just
I can't be
just go ahead
biased.
and let him get
I
his
can't
Nah,
be
point
I
off,
just want to
bro.
know who said that though. Nah, who said you got to
Cause
be
they not,
biased?
bro. They not gonna man
biased.
up and say who
Nobody
said it,
said
bro.
that.
So
He
just let him
said
say
Yeah,
it.
he
you're
did
not
it
man enough
backwards.
to say that. You need to get off the fucking stage talking like that. You part of the problem. Talking about you got to be biased.
When you got a
Shoot him to the
platform,
goo.
you're supposed to be keeping it a honey. Like if you're
Not
gonna give
being
me a
no
platform,
bias.
I'm keeping it a
That's
honey, my
40
nigga. I ain't
Glock
told no
tray.
lies. Listen, I ain't told one lie on this motherfucker, not one.
I
This
mean, you
nigga
did
done
lie,
lied. He
but go
making up
ahead.
whole stories and bullshit. I ain't told one lie, bro. If you go back and you research
What I
anything
lie
of mine,
about?
everything is in line. Everything that
What I
he's
lie
saying right now is
about?
a contradictive lie.
What I lie about? 500,000 for pain and suffering, 500,000 for emotional distress, 2 million in punitive damages, 25,000 medical expense, 750 for lost earnings. Does it sound a little? Does it sound right, Bodie? That's what your suit was for, right? That's what you sued for, right?
That ain't what we talking about, right?
That's
We
what.
already, bro. That's public
Why
record, cuz.
won't you
Stop
answer
trying to
the
change. You
question,
changing the narrative. I just see what I'm. When I get to talking, he talk all
bro?
over,
You sued
over and over, cuz.
500,000 pain and suffering,
That's
500,000 for
but you
emotion.
changing the narrative. That's not what I'm talking about,
Did
cuz.
you
Okay,
not
You
go
sue
ahead
for
and
these
always
speak.
changing
Go
amounts?
ahead
the
and speak,
narrative.
40. Go ahead, 40. Go ahead. Go ahead. You got the
Oh
floor,
my
bro. Go ahead.
god.
Did you not sue for these amounts?
Listen, cuz.
According to Glock, he was awarded a settlement of $196,335.15.
I thought you paid me 180.
It was somewhere around there, you know, I
You forgot the
give or take
punitive damages
10
too,
or
my nigga.
whatever. But
Add
you
the
sued for
punitive
4
damages.
million, right?
Add the punitive damage, nigga. When you do a lawsuit, you can sue a motherfucker for $100 million. That
But
don't
what
mean you're
did
gonna get
you
the 100 million.
get? What did you get?
It don't. You. I got. It's all over the internet. Y'all said I got $3,000.
No, I gave you 4,000 and I
No,
said
nigga, you gave
pesos
me
on it.
180, and you gave
No,
me
no, I
come
paid
on,
the
man, keep
attorney
it a
fees.
thousand. Nigga, don't come crip, keep it
I
100, my
paid
nigga.
the attorney fees
God,
to directly
this
to
nigga
the
talk
attorney.
phony. Is y'all gonna let me speak, or do he get to keep talking
Go ahead,
over
man.
me, and I ain't got to say shit? How can you snitch on a nigga that records something and then go on the radio, TV, and everything live on TMZ with a recording that he recorded and edited and had armed bodyguards, undercover police, whatever, off-duty police, and you did all this, and you did interviews and whatever for 6 months with it. I didn't file a lawsuit for that whole 6 months. He told on himself. I didn't tell a damn thing. He already alerted police. I didn't tell, nigga, what
Huh?
the fuck? You just so with someone when I went shoot
Hey,
this nigga,
Tank.
they was gonna say Cody did it. Come on, they knew what they was doing.
Hey, bro,
Come
bro.
on, I'm
The
talking still,
police
bro.
never
I'm
got at
still
us
talking. I
about
just let this
no
nigga speak.
charges, bro.
I just let this nigga speak, bro. Did you
Man,
not
I
get
can't
answer
believe
my
y'all
question to
listen
you,
to
bro?
this crazy
Before I
shit.
get in here, did I go to the police?
Charges was
Did,
Hey,
not active till you filed the suit, nigga.
did I go to the police?
Yeah, the judge is the police, nigga.
Oh, there's a
The
judge. Did
lady
I
just
file
she
a
just
police
said
report?
that.
Did I file a police report?
Did you not point game out on
Man,
the
this
stand and
answer
say
my
that's the one
question.
that
Did I
hit me?
file a police report?
Did you point the game out under oath and said that is the man that attacked me?
Did I file a police report?
Yes or no?
Did I
Hey,
file
Wack,
a police
why
report?
you don't get game up in here real quick?
That ain't gonna happen, nigga. For what? It's a little nigga. I ain't finna have my nigga for what?
A
hey,
Get the
little
look.
fuck
You know
nigga.
out of
how?
here.
Hey,
A little
you know
nigga.
how?
It's
Nigga,
a
Hey,
nigga.
look.
little nigga,
I
my
will
nigga. What
beat
the
your
fuck with
Hey,
game even for what? Nigga, it's levels to this shit, bro.
Did you not just get DP'd at that show,
Dan
my nigga?
already beat up Glocc.
I got DP where? I
Did
got
you
DP where?
anybody down there like a little fucking little homie?
Oh, you talking about the footage you said of me fighting with Draco? That wasn't me? That you
That wasn't
said that.
Draco.
That was Draco. What are you
That
talking
wasn't
about?
Draco, nigga. You
Hey,
talking about I
bro.
said you was in a white hoodie, nigga?
Draco and them had a squabble at 8:30.
In
I
your
Hey,
was
ass,
Mr.
gone by
Listen. Hey,
6:30.
Mr. Listen. Hey, Mr. Listen.
nigga. You wasn't in a white hoodie. You was in a red one. The white hoodie still
Mr.
got
Listen.
You said I was in the white hoodie.
this nigga. I ain't never
You
said you in a
said
white
that.
hoodie.
Everybody watch this nigga go on the
So that was
rampage
a DP.
circle. That's
Nigga,
Wack
Wack
Come
in
on,
was
the
in a
nigga.
white hoodie.
burgundy
You
You
hoodie,
said
know,
that.
dummy.
the Domino's
Was
pizza
that a
was
DP?
up there, nigga. I'm told my homie was right there, nigga.
Nigga, then
Your
your
homies
homie
was
seen
right.
the wrong shit. Nigga, I was right there. Nigga asked Wack for the
We
favor.
got
Wack
off,
knocked his
stupid. We
ass
got
out,
off on
nigga.
them, dummy.
Split him, nigga.
You got DP and you got sprayed with a fire extinguisher. Treat you like a hoe. Get the
Nigga, one of
fuck
the
out.
niggas that was with us got the acting crazy, nigga, and asked Wack for a
So
favor,
why they
got his
treat you
shit
with the fire
split, nigga.
extinguisher?
So shut
Hold
up,
on,
you
one
ain't
mic, one
there,
mic.
nigga.
Mama Lisa, can you hit us with a reset?
I got you.
This nigga
Hello,
sure do
hello,
follow me,
hello.
boy.
Welcome to Death of the Cloud Chasers. I am Mama Lisa here in the club. If you haven't already, I'd like you to hit the top of that screen and join the club. That way you can come up on stage. I'd like you to go ahead and follow Big Chuck. He'll take you to places you haven't been. Follow all the moderators that resonate with you. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here. You could have been anywhere else in the hallway, but you here with us, chill with us. We have a one mic policy here and respect each other's opinion. Just respect. That's what we like to do here. Just respect. So one mic policy. Let's go.
And then also make sure y'all hit a bell for this link at the top. We will be having another room in about 30 minutes, y'all. So make sure y'all hit the bell at the top so y'all can be notified when that room is open. Do me one favor and give Fox 914 a big follow. He's almost at 1,000 followers, y'all. He need a couple of more followers. It's 1,000 some people in this room. Make sure y'all give him a huge follow. I'm pretty sure he gonna hit y'all with the follow back. So yeah, just make sure y'all go through everybody's follow list. Make sure everybody hit one.
You shall proceed.
Hey, look, bro shouldn't even be speaking on the night of that goddamn concert, fool.
That
He was
nigga
not
wasn't that
there.
nigga. This
That
nigga
nigga
put up
talking
footage
about what
talking
his
about I was
homie
over there
said.
fighting with Draco there. Then
Nigga,
I
we
had
was
on a
out
white
of there.
hoodie. I had to put it
Nigga,
up like
on
nigga, I'm
Close
in a
City Crip,
burgundy
you
hoodie.
got DP'd by the
How I
Dominoes,
get
nigga.
DP
They
when I'm the nigga
DP'd
that
your
got off,
50-year-old
dummy?
ass
When,
like a little
nigga?
homie, nigga.
Bro,
When?
hey, hold on. I'm gonna tell you how it went, nigga.
This nigga
We was
crazy.
gonna hit the
My nigga, you
motherfuckers.
can't tell me I
We,
went when I know the
He
nigga
was
that was right
there.
there and
nigga,
watched
I
me.
was there, you dumbass. Nigga, I went with Wack, you dummy.
Nigga on my mom, he got DP'd. I don't want to hear you lying for the
Nigga,
nigga.
On
man,
your
shut up,
mama,
nigga.
I
We
got
I
was,
didn't ask you.
DP.
I didn't
nigga,
ask.
we
Hey,
went
I
on
didn't. I
stage.
didn't ask you a
Wait,
question,
did you
did I?
just put that on your mama? I got DP.
Yes, you got DP'd, nigga.
So
By
so
who?
let me
Name
get
the
this
nigga he
right.
got
Let me get this
DP by.
right. Let me get this right.
Nigga,
Wack come out and get
tell
off.
everybody what happened. Did you get hands put on you, bruh?
No,
Never.
Come on,
not
my
at
nigga. Give
all.
it a
Ain't
chance.
none of us
Come on,
split.
cuz.
It's a few
Give
niggas
it.
over there
Come
split
on.
open.
Okay, did you, when you got hit by
Never.
J-Rock, why is you yelling,
Never.
J-Rock just knocked me out, blood? Why are
Never.
you saying he just knocked you out?
I never
Y'all want to
said
put
J
up the
Rock
footage?
just
Hey,
knocked
y'all
me
put
out. What
up
are you
footage?
talking
Put
about?
up the footage of this nigga keep yelling, J-Rock just knocked me
I
out, blood.
never
Why would you
said
say
J
you got
Rock
knocked
just
out if
knocked
you
me
ain't get
out.
knocked out?
What are
Why
you
would you say
talking
you got
about? J
knocked out if
Rock.
You
you ain't
said
get
he
Why
knocked
would
got
I
out?
dope
say?
fiend.
What are you talking about? J
We
And
Rock
we
talking
knocked
keeping
about
me
this
out.
two
100. We
totally
speaking on
different
real shit, right?
situations, though,
You
bro.
ain't even had J Rock say he knocked me out. How about that?
You said he knocked you out.
Why the fuck would I say a nigga knocked me out when I
Um,
wasn't knocked out?
do you need this? Dude, I need to
Was you
find.
there, 40?
Do
Let
I
me
need to
ask
have
you a
somebody send
question.
y'all the link?
Hey, 40, look,
Y'all
I
got the
don't know
link. It's on
what you've been
YouTube.
doing the last 4-5
Come
years,
on, my nigga.
but
Y'all
like,
pulling
let
up
me ask
footage.
you a
Put the
question.
footage up. Y'all say y'all know how to buy a
Hey,
biased
do you,
platform, right?
hey, hey,
That
hey,
one
hey,
niggas on
40,
here,
hey,
right?
40. Wack ain't never on power root been knocked out in his life.
Then why you
Ever.
say J Rock knocked me out? Just
I
knocked me
have
out,
never
blood.
been
You said
knocked
J
out.
Rock just knocked
Hey,
me
Ever.
but
out, blood.
there's no footage of it, but we seen
Nigga
you get
crazy.
beat up,
You
nigga.
Hey,
So
just
yo,
shut
said
one
up.
you
mic.
said J Rock
Shut up.
just knocked me out, blood. Why did you say it?
I'm gonna
I
beat your ass
never
like the game
said
did
J
40
Rock
Glock.
knocked me out, weirdo. The fuck are you
On God,
talking
you
about?
said, nigga, will somebody please put the
This
footage up?
nigga
Can't y'all put
crazy. On
footage on this
God, on
platform?
his mama.
On
You tell
Code
me I
City Crip,
got
on my
DP'd at
life.
my show.
If y'all can't find that footage, whoever it is, I will pay
So
you
let me ask you a
$1,000.
question.
I will
What's that
cash
mean, a
out you
white hoodie or
$1,000
not?
right
So
now.
let me
It's
ask you a
right on the
question.
internet.
Hey,
It's
And
let
you
me
don't
ask you
got
a
a
G-Money.
question.
thousand dollars.
Wait.
I'm gonna whoop
So did
your
I
ass like
get
the
packed
game did
out?
40 Glock.
Hey, did I get packed out with Draco and them or didn't? Or what? Because I want to see what story you got down. Because first you said I
You're
was with
trying to
Drake.
change the narrative. You're trying to make Draco's
No, you
situation your
put it up,
situation.
bro.
That wasn't
Listen.
Draco, bruh. Draco shit was a whole different
The
thing, my nigga.
footage you put up was Draco.
No, it wasn't, nigga.
Parking lot footage is
No, it
Yes, it
Draco.
wasn't, nigga.
was
No, it
Draco.
wasn't, nigga.
Parking lot
No,
is
it wasn't.
Draco. We
Listen,
wasn't fighting in no parking lot.
okay, change the narrative all you want. We know what happened on my mama. The Damus DP'd you, cuz, like a little
Okay,
homie,
if it
my
was
nigga.
a rap event, why you didn't
Answer
show
my
up? Since you
question.
know we gonna be
Now,
there.
answer my
Why
question. I
didn't you
asked you,
show up
I
to the
said,
event knowing we gonna be there?
when J-Rock, why did you say
Why
J-Rock
you
just
won't
knocked me
answer
out,
the
blood?
question? You
I asked
know
you a
we was
question.
gonna be
I
there.
didn't
Why you
answer
didn't
about
show
50
up?
of your questions because you're not answering none of mine.
Why didn't you show up? I never been knocked out. I already answered.
No,
Why
you
didn't
didn't,
you
nigga. I
show
said, why
up to
did
the
you say
event
it? I
knowing we
said,
gonna
why
be
did
there?
you say J-Rock just knocked me out, blood?
J Rock never knocked me out, bro. I never
I
been
said,
knocked
why
out.
did
I ain't
you,
never been on
man,
my
you're trying to
pockets.
change the narrative. I
I
said,
have
why
never
did
been
you
on my
say that?
pockets, bro.
I said, why
Never.
did you say that?
I've seen them little white stores before, but I ain't never went to sleep.
Come on with
So
that
my question to
fraudulent
you
ass
is,
shit. I just
my
asked you a
question to you
question.
is,
I said,
why
why did
didn't you
J-Rock,
come to the event that you know we was gonna be at?
why did you say J-Rock just knocked me out, blood?
This nigga be running from this nigga. You looking for us, but you ain't coming
I
to
don't,
us.
my nigga, I got attempted murders with police. I didn't shot at police.
Ah.
I didn't went to jail for police. Every time you doing a show, you around police. I don't like being around police.
Huh?
I don't like being around police.
I'm
So
gonna whoop
all
your
them
ass
niggas
like
is
the
with me
game
as
did 40 Glock.
police?
You going to an event where police is guarding and shit, nigga. Come
But
on, you
nigga,
know
that's
what you
the
doing.
event.
Miss me with the antics, nigga. Slide,
When you
nigga.
come in
Sliders,
the
nigga.
event, hey
Did
look,
I
bro. Hey
did I
look, if
slide on
police
y'all?
was a
You told me that
factor,
y'all was pressing
hey, if
charges, my nigga.
police
You
was
said
a
y'all had it on
factor,
camera,
Draco wouldn't be dead. There wasn't no
my nigga.
police up there like that.
I went up there, I beat Tato ass. You told me you had it on footage and y'all was gonna press charge. I told you, nigga, I
I
don't give a
told
fuck.
you I was
Stop
gonna press
playing with me,
charges for
nigga.
you
When
beating
I see
another
you, it's
nigga up.
on. That's what I told you.
Hey, bro, that
Those are
don't
my
even
exact
sound.
words
Come
to
on,
you,
bro.
nigga.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. I'm convinced you delusional. I'm gonna press charges on you because you beat another nigga up. Come on, bro. I'm off it. You win, my
This is
nigga.
what you do. You the police. Why you ain't get down? You got every excuse. I
Was
hear you call out
charges
Lil nigga.
pressed?
I heard you call out Lil Trav in New York, nigga. Trav is my
Yeah.
little nigga, nigga. On my mama, nigga, I will beat the dog shit out of you on coat and catch that fade with
Hey, my
me.
nigga, why y'all even give these niggas a platform to come up here and talk this bullshit,
Yeah,
bro,
this
to the
nigga
OG,
weird,
bro?
huh?
Like, when niggas be on
Yeah,
here
bro.
talking real shit, y'all kick them down, and then y'all give niggas like this that don't nobody motherfucking know.
Who do that? Who do that?
Who said that?
Nah, Chuck, I told you from the gate, bro. This nigga documented, took the stand, sued niggas. Y'all got the
6ix9ine
video. He
documented took the stand.
ran.
You just did an interview
He
with
did
him.
all that
Six
shit.
nine
I
did
want
too.
to know who said that.
6ix9ine did what?
6ix9ine documented took the
And is
stand and
six
said he
nine in
went
the
to
room,
jail.
nigga?
And you kick it with him.
Is
You
six
get
nine in
money
the
with him.
room? You don't
So
know
if you
what
was
I
in the
do
pen,
with him.
would you
You
get money
follow
with a
me.
fish?
I
Hey,
see you
hey,
pay a
listen,
lot
look
of
like this.
attention to me. You don't know
If you
what
was
I
in the
do with
pen,
him.
would
I
you
do
get
a
money
lot of
with a
business
fish?
with him. I talk to him every day like 5 times a day. But is
Right.
six
So if you
nine
was
in the
in the
room?
pen,
Whoever said
if
that
you was
weird
in the
shit. Hold
pen,
on. Is
would the
six
Damu
nine in
card let you
Chuck's
fuck with a
room
fish?
on the stage?
Look, you talking over me.
So
If I
why
No,
is
was in the
this
he's
pen,
nigga on
not.
the
He's not
stage
in here.
documenting?
if you was in the pen, would the Damu card let you Fuck with 6ix9ine and
That's
make money.
Damu business, my nigga. You a Colton City Crip. Get out our
Is that?
business.
And you a buster, my nigga. On
Yo,
Mind
God,
your
you on
business.
whack. It's on you.
But this Damu, though, I was able to reach over to Colton and pat you on the back, little guy.
If that was true, why would you be on here snitching?
I
You ain't
just
pat
said
nothing
pat
on the
you on
back,
the
nigga. You're
back. There's no
talking.
crime
That's what I'm
against
telling you. Just
patting you on the
talking,
back.
cuz. What is you running from,
There's
cuz?
no crime against patting you on the back.
If you telling me you took me on the back, then why ain't snitching on you? But you said I snitched on game. See, this is a
I
contradicting
ain't
bullshit
said the
you say.
paperwork
You
said it.
just
What you
saying you put
mean?
245, you had
Hey,
245
bro,
put
you
in there.
just
What you telling
admitted
me?
getting on
Nigga,
the
use the
stand,
factual,
bro.
bro.
What you
You
mean?
ain't did none of that. That's what I'm
You
saying,
just
but you sit on
admitted
this
getting
platform
on the
saying that.
stand.
You niggas is the police, cuz.
You did, bro. You had us in court. We the police. Come on, man. I'm
Nigga,
off.
I ain't doing shit. Nigga, if I'm suing Universal,
Up, up, up,
nigga, we will
up,
go
up.
in court and
You
I will
got us
collect
in
my
court,
money.
but we the police. Fuck out of here. You
Exactly, nigga.
point
You
niggas
talking
out
about a
on the stand,
lawsuit, you acting like
talking
it's
about that's
criminal.
the
You
assailant
ain't
that
had
attacked
nothing
me.
criminal. You can't show no police report. You can't even have you ain't got nothing with an officer involved. Nothing.
Did you take the stand under oath and point at game as the one that attacked you?
Nigga, how many questions I just asked you? You
Hey,
ain't answered
40,
one.
Yo,
you're
but
getting
for
that ring
40,
with the
40, hold
game. Is
on,
the money
40,
right?
40. That's a
whoop
legit
your ass with the
question right
game,
there,
did
40
40
My
Glock.
Glock.
nigga, so you telling me it's not a legit question that I asked first? I asked him. I said, nigga, he's dealing with 6ix9ine and he's in the if he's
Six
in the
nine ain't got
penitentiary,
nothing to do
is
with this
he be allowed
Yo,
conversation.
to deal
wait,
with a
Six
yo, let him
6ix9ine
nine
land,
case?
Wack.
wasn't even walking
Yes,
out the
you're not
front
speaking on.
door
You
when
say you
you
got
told
talking.
on
But
us,
you're not
bro.
letting him land on
Take a
that
break, Wack.
question.
Just let him talk.
Fuck, he asked me a
If he was
six
in the
nine question with his
penitentiary,
question.
with this nigga, would you be allowed to fuck with? Would you even be allowed,
I'm on
or
the
would you
street, bro.
even
I'm not
fuck
in the
with six
penitentiary.
nine and he's in
I
prison?
do what I want to
So
do.
why you doing it on the streets?
I
Would you
do what
do
I
that?
want to do.
Would the Damu card let you do that?
That's not your business. You ain't never even
Would
been to
you
the
do that?
penitentiary.
Would you do that in the
You
pen?
have never been
Okay,
to California
okay, the
State
Damu card not my
Penitentiary in
business.
your
Just
life.
answer my question. Would you do that
Hey,
in the
big bad
penitentiary?
40 Glock who put in all this
Come
work
on,
ain't
my
never
nigga.
did a day in the
And Mr.
penitentiary out here.
Cyborg Prison Man, Mr. Cyborg Bust Ass Prison Man, don't catch face. I'm asking you, will you do that in the penitentiary? Would you fuck with 6ix9ine in the penitentiary? And he's in there for snitching. Would you fuck with him? Do you
What do
fuck
you
with
mean?
PC
Fuck
Unit?
with him in the prison. What you
Do you
mean?
fuck with
So
PC
we on
Unit?
the same yard. Hey, wait, let me get this right. We
Do you
on the
fuck with?
same yard.
Just
Well,
answer the
get this
question.
right for to answer your question, because you sound crazy. We're on the same yard and we're in prison, right? And you're asking me, will I spend last with 6ix9ine in prison? That's what you asking me?
I said, would you fuck with
Bro,
six
it's a
nine
yes
in
or
prison and
no.
get
That's
money
what
if
you
he was
asking
snitching?
me? Because we got to put it in prison set now. Streets is the
In pri-
streets.
Now the streets, the streets. So why is a lawsuit snitching then? If it's streets to streets, would
Yo,
Did
you fuck
40
you
with the
take?
Glock,
system, my
40
nigga?
Glock. Hold
Yo,
on,
Just answer
40
the
this
Glock.
question.
Wait,
nigga
wait,
Go
one
ahead.
mic,
crazy.
one mic, one mic, one
All
mic.
right, one
40
mic.
Glock,
I got you. I got you. I got you.
40 Glock,
Go ahead.
40. Listen, brother, on some G shit, right?
Yeah.
You get into whatever type of scuffle you got into, right? And whatever they did with the
Keep in mind,
video. Say that
recorded,
again.
and it was recorded, distributed, and went on interviews saying what they did. There was
40
nothing
Glock.
that
I
wasn't
heard
said that they didn't
Hey,
do.
real quick,
40.
salute to
Listen, hold on.
Jermaine
Let me.
Dupri, who's in the
Jermaine
building.
Dupri in the
Jermaine
building.
Dupri is in the
Slow
building.
death.
Salute,
All
salute.
right. 40 Glock. 40
So
Glock.
What's
death.
happening?
Salute.
Can I, one
Yeah,
mic
he
on
left.
one mic on. This is Trife talking to you, bro. I'm not here on no. I'm an unbiased individual. I don't give a fuck who it is.
Oh yeah, go ahead and
Hey,
speak,
yo,
my
All
nigga.
40
right,
Glock,
bro.
check your
Hold on,
IG.
bro. Yo, bro, you
Hold
see me
on, Trife
talking,
trying to
bro?
talk. Let Trife talk, bro. One mic. Go ahead,
You
Trife.
talking about check his IG and I'm talking? That's your problem now, man.
Really, nigga?
Yeah, really.
Get that nigga out of here, whoever that nigga is,
Yeah,
man.
whoever that
Hey,
nigga
yo, 40
was.
Glock.
What's happening? What's
All right,
cracking?
brother. So you get into whatever conflict you get into. Everything I keep hearing you spit on cold crip. All right, got you. That means you deep in the streets. So now you get into a conflict. Whatever the conflict happened, they recorded it. However you won or lost, they did what they did. You decided to take the civil action, right? On some G shit. At the point that you take that civil action and you get on the stand and say, that man beat me up. Your G is for question, homie.
You
That's
water
that's that's
down.
straight jacket.
Listen,
That's straight. I don't care how
and
you
I'm
trying to water it down. Hold on, bro.
and
I'm a
listen.
land.
I hear you.
I'm a land.
Okay, keep going.
However you trying to give it to everybody right now. At the point that you see they move like that and you move in the same manner to take the same steps,
No,
regardless
we're
of
not
what,
moving in the same manner. First of all, we
bro.
move in a different manner. The streets,
Let
we
him
don't record
finish.
something and then we doing interviews and we're putting it out as it's a commercial and we faking a fight, my nigga.
What that
Oh,
That's
got to
so
do
so
faking
with
the
you say
fight,
court?
all right, but
nigga,
listen, hold up, bro. But you say that gives you the right at that point,
to get
right?
money. Yes, it gives me the right to get money. That's what I said.
Okay, so that's
Yes,
what we
Why?
it
want. You
does.
want to say at that point it's about you getting money. It's no longer you no longer riding on street codes and ethics. You now focus on just
I've caught
getting
them and
money.
beat them up. I've caught them and fucked them up. They
Nah,
know
you
that.
can't do
Okay.
that, bro. That's not the bro. You
How
can't do
you
that,
want?
homie.
I understand you
Bro,
try.
listen. You
Now
can't.
you're
You gotta
entitled to your
listen,
opinion, but
homie.
I can do
Listen.
what
All
the fuck
right.
I want to do when
All
it come to
right. So
that.
you can't. All right. That's a
Cause
fact. That's a
listen,
hold on. 40 Glock. Listen. That's
okay,
a
go ahead,
fact.
go ahead, go ahead,
That's a
go ahead.
fact. You could do what you want at that point. Everybody has a right to make their decisions at a certain point. But at the point that you make that decision, you can't talk no gangster shit, bro. And then you can't tell nobody come back to the streets and we're
You
gonna
can
shoot
tell
the
me.
fire. Listen, bro. You can't
Go,
say
go,
that,
go.
bro. You can't tell nobody. Listen, I done showed you that if y'all do this to me, I'm gonna sue you.
There we
But yo,
go.
come back and fight me. That don't make no sense, bro. Who
He
gonna do
right.
that, homie?
There you
Can
go.
you want me to rebuttal
Hell,
you? Can I
fucker.
rebuttal you?
Yes, let
Can I
me. Yeah, you
rebuttal
got the
you?
rebuttal, Michael. Yo, one mic on him. It's your mic, bro. I'm mute my mic.
Okay, now when you say that, I gave them, they recorded this shit. I gave them 6 months. I let them run with their fake story. I let them run with they didn't have the undercover, the little off duty police, whatever. They didn't have no licensed bodyguards with pistols on me. They edited the footage. They did 6 months worth of interviews. They did all this fake shit. I felt like I got put in a fake ass movie. I wanted retaliation. I knew when I retaliated, we was going to, I could talk about it now because it's over. Nigga, Game them knew we was going to light they shit up. We knew he was going to his house to light his shit up. Cuz jumped on a plane that night and left, my nigga. Now, when they did all that, cuz it's all fake. And then I let them go for 6 months with that fake ass story. And then I said, you know what? These niggas is trying to trick me off the streets. So what I did, I filed a lawsuit and I got paid off of it. And at the same time, I ran around fucking them up. And they denied it
Fucking
to all
who
that.
up?
Other than that, and this bitch ass nigga, all he do is talk. This nigga was
And
just a
what you
groupie.
mean
He
got
worked
on the
his way through
plane,
gang.
bro? We
He
ain't
got
going
2 games
nowhere.
from me. I got 2 games from me. He don't think he used to
I
thank
got
me
the
for it.
game
He
from
thank he,
you.
he thanked me for it.
Oh, this
Game will
nigga
tell you
crazy
the
than a
game a
motherfucker,
liar
bro.
too though.
Have
So
y'all ever
when
seen
Game got
Game
with him,
identify with
he
40
got to
Glock
them
as
through
being
me.
part of his squad?
He told me
Hell
thank you,
no.
Cody.
Fuck
He
Never.
told
out of
me
here. What are
thank
you
you.
talking about? I
Come
got the
on, my nigga.
game from you.
You got the game from me, bruh. It was me,
Oh my
you, Suge,
God.
my homie Yak, and all my homies from the set, nigga.
Suge
And
don't even
Gangsta the
fuck
one
with
nigga I sat
game.
on Game Bentley, spit on that motherfucker,
I thought
and
it was
one
G
cuz,
Money.
come on, my nigga.
Suge
You
don't
keeping
even
1,000,
fuck
right?
with
Hey,
game.
wait, I thought.
That's my point. That's exactly what it was. It ain't no fucking that's T money,
Hold
all
up,
T money.
Glock, Glock. What's your history with gang, Glock? What's your
Yeah,
history?
yeah. Let me hear this.
What's up?
Yeah, let me hear that.
When you say what's my history with game, what do you
You
mean?
How
said
you
you
met
put
the
me with
nigga? How
game, so
you
you
met
gotta
the
have
nigga?
history with
Yeah,
it.
My
yeah. How you
history
met
with
the
game,
nigga, bro?
listen, the way we met game, I met game, where we were. We went to Cedar Blocks. We did a song. It was me, Cuz, Glasses, J.O. I don't remember who else. It was a gang of us. We did a song, Cuz. This was back, boo, boo. We was on G Unit, da, 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 right? We do the shit, boom. That shit's nothing. Okay, that's the
Stop.
history. But
Game wasn't on no G unit when you was fucking with G unit. They was already beefing. So you don't make
did you,
sense.
what is this nigga talking about? That ain't what I said, bruh.
You just, bro, you said you
No,
was
it's
with G
not. I
unit.
said he was on G Unit. I wouldn't
Okay,
know.
so
We
you
didn't
think
fuck
you
with G
coming
Unit
over
then.
there with game when he beefing with G unit to do a
Yeah,
song with game and
no,
you
he
on G
had no
unit?
beef with G Unit
Oh,
then, nigga. He was on G Unit. He
What
was
do you
signed to G Unit.
mean?
He was coming out. He hadn't even barely dropped
hold
What
the
year
on,
you
song
Glock.
he
start
Get
got.
your
fucking with G unit?
timeline.
I don't
Get your
know again. Start
timeline
What
fucking
right,
year
with.
did
bro.
you start fucking with G unit?
Yeah, give me the timeline, nigga.
What year
Yeah,
you
I don't.
start fucking with G unit?
What year? The year I started fucking with G Unit, I would say, well, I met 50 while we was on anger management tour.
What
That's
year?
when Eminem signed 50. Me, Eminem, 50,
What
Mazar, Method, Red, them.
what
We was
year
all on
you
the
start
we with
fucking with G
Eminem, and we
unit?
was and we he introduced us to 50 Cent that day.
What
So
year,
I
my
met 50
nigga?
on anger management tour. We went set with Jimmy Iovine when Mob Deep
What?
went over to
Oh.
G Unit. So we got with G Unit when basically when Mob Deep after we set
So
with
see the sitting with
Jimmy
Jimmy
Iovine.
Iovine with fucking 50? Nigga,
We
50
was just
start
okay.
fucking with Spider Loc. You was
Wait,
fucking with Spider Loc. That's how
no,
you
cuz,
was even
no,
around that.
you got the timeline
What
fucked up,
year
my nigga.
was it,
No,
nigga?
that's
We
not how
trying
it
to get
What
a
happened.
year,
year.
nigga?
Yeah, nigga. Why we
I,
can't
What
get a year
year?
out
you
your
got
ass?
it. Whatever year it was that we got with
You
G
don't
Unit
know? How
When
you don't
Mob
know
Deep
when you
got
Yo,
with
started
I
G
can
getting
Unit,
tell
money?
when he lying, bro.
whatever
Cause
year
he
it is
paid him.
when Mob
How
Deep got
you
with G
going
Unit, all
over
you
there to
gotta do
see
is
the block
Google
and
it.
he already
My nigga, I
beefing with
don't remember
fucking G
no
Unit?
goddamn dates, nigga. I just got out of jail,
Alright,
nigga.
alright.
What kind of
We
weird
said
shit I'm
year. We
on?
didn't say date. We
No,
said
but
What
year.
Glock.
year?
Yo,
Wack
Glock.
found game from G
Ain't
Money,
no
not
fucking
this
Year.
nigga.
lot, bro.
It's
That was
it's
99,
documented.
2000.
I don't know what
It
Yeah,
year.
said
that
the
Hey,
shit
year
was
Go
Keita,
on
2000.
from
Google.
two
hey,
Anger
Hey,
management
hold up,
tour
hold up,
was in
hold up, y'all.
2000.
Exactly, 2000.
I said Jermaine Dupri in here. No, he
Glock,
knows.
you're
He's
fake.
been here when we
Nigga,
You're
got
not even
when
real.
Jermaine ain't
my
got
we
nothing
got
to
with
say
Gina. We
about
went
none of this
backstage.
shit. He just here to enjoy
Just
himself,
shut
bro.
the
Leave
fuck up,
JD out of
nigga.
this shit.
Just shut the fuck up, nigga.
What
Get
year
down. You get
did
down.
you start fucking with G Unit?
What?
What year?
I
Because
just
ain't
told
no
you.
way you went
It's
to
on.
Game Block
I
when
don't
he
know,
was
bro.
beefing with the
When
nigga by the
When
time
Mob
the
Deep
first
signed to G
album
Unit,
dropped.
the day that Mob Deep signed to G Unit, the day that we met with Jimmy Iovine, that's when we got with G Unit.
Yo, but Glock, but when you did the lawsuit shit, don't you agree that like you kind of lost your hood
2006.
pass?
Wait, my nigga. I couldn't hear your question. Hold on. It was year 2006.
Don't
When
you
you
think
start
you
fucking with
lost
G
your?
Unit in '06,
Yes.
The anger
and you was running
management
around
troll
in Game's
stop.
entourage and 50's entourage in
No.
'06.
Game hadn't got with I when I fucked with Game, it was when
Documentary
Game was on
dropped in
G Unit.
'05, you dummy.
Listen, Game, no, you're trying to change the timeline.
Are you dumb?
No, I'm
Game
not,
was signed to
nigga.
G Unit. My people wasn't with G Unit yet. When I
Documentary
fucked with
dropped in
Game when we did that
'05, bro.
song, it was me, Glass, I think Spider was on it too.
Documentary
It was
dropped in '05.
2005.
Nigga,
Listen.
By the
It was
time the Doctor's
2005,
Advocate came,
2006.
it was already on.
nigga,
Listen, bro.
why you running us in
I didn't fuck
circles,
with
nigga?
Game when we got with G Unit, bro. I didn't fuck with Game. I fuck with
You
Game
running us in
before when
You
circles,
Game was
never
bro.
with G
fuck
Unit. I
with
didn't fuck
Game.
with G Unit.
I asked you a simple question.
Okay, I couldn't hear your question.
The question was when you got affiliated with Gang. We trying to get a timeline because you saying that you introduced Wack
It was
to
when
fucking
Game had
Gang.
that
Oh,
one
That's
he
song.
crazy.
did. T Money
Okay,
introduced
are
Wack
you
the game.
listening to me? Or is you asking me a question I'm trying to answer? Everybody keep talking over me, my nigga.
Go ahead, man.
You asked me when I got with them. So when I the affiliated song with Game was when he did that whatever that song was when he say been there, got that, got strapped, da da da, whatever that
Hate
how
it or
that
love
song
it.
go.
That's
Nah, not hated to love it.
documentary.
Not hated to love it. The
So that's
single, my
like
nigga.
2006, bro.
That's 2005.
That's West Side Story, bruh.
West
West
Side
Side
Story.
Story.
So this was before West Side Story. That's when we did the song. It was me, Spider Glasses. I'm sure the song is out there on the internet. It's me,
All
Game,
right.
Spider. I went to the Cedar Books in an all blue Dickie suit with blue white chucks and a blue rag on my
Get
head,
the
cuz.
fuck out.
Oh
The
God, nigga.
fuck.
And they was all they welcomed it, and on my mama, nigga, it was all love. It wasn't no bullshit, cuz. It wasn't none of that, my nigga. It was all solid.
Well,
Cuz
let's
was
see.
on G on it. Nobody hated on him.
I just pinged T Money in here, so let's see who's telling the truth.
This
Cause
nigga
Wack
right here
got game
lying
for
like a
T Money and
motherfucker,
D
man.
Mac.
Nigga, I'm keeping it 1,000, cuz. What the
You had
fuck you
not
want me to be
introduced
lying
me
for,
to
my
no
nigga?
fucking game, bro. Get the
Cause
fuck out
you
of
didn't
here.
fuck with gang. You weren't even on the scene. We fuck with gang, bro.
Listen. I didn't start fucking with game, bozo, until motherfucking LAX.
You got with me, nigga. And you
Hey
said,
Wack, I thought Game when he said I heard him say this shit like maybe in
He
room
said
that
it, nigga. Let me tell you
he
how I met
said
my
that he
nigga
gave
Wack.
you 10,000 or some shit
He
one day,
ain't
right?
lying, nigga. He's not lying. That's LAX, my nigga. He was in the booth, nigga. He
them
was at
niggas, my nigga, if you gonna believe them two niggas on my mama, nigga, I don't make up lies, cuz. I'm telling you real
Hey
history.
How
bro,
you
it's
gonna
two
tell me
against
how I
one.
met a
What the
nigga?
fuck you talking about?
You telling me how I met a nigga, bro? What the fuck
I
you
didn't
mean?
say how you met him. I said how you got with him.
Nigga, that's how I got with him.
You said help you
T
look.
Money,
T-Money.
two
T
T's.
Money and D Mac.
Look,
Nigga, you
T
said,
Money,
look, I'm
two
gonna
T's,
come.
right?
Let's come. We ain't got to scream.
T
Cause I really
Money
want to get these
and
points out of
two
this nigga.
T's.
See how much this
Two
nigga got to
T's
fight.
was head of security from Niggas and Garden Bounty Hunters. He run TD Security now, right? Those are two people, my nigga, that set that up for me to sit down with game. You are never have been a player in this shit to be able to put nobody with nobody
I
like
ain't never
that.
been
You
a
know
player. Then why did you pull up and say you said help you get this look so you could make it look like you got a pass with this bitch ass
help
nigga? And
me
you
get this look, bro. That wasn't no, we never talked face to
said
face.
I got you, Brody. He's like, nigga, you know what I come
We
up with?
never talked face to face. You know how I jumped out. I ain't gonna incriminate myself. I jumped out
Nigga,
one
you
way.
just
The homie
incriminated
Lil
yourself.
John pulled up, him and Zap. Lil
Shot.
John and Zap pulled up in the middle of the street another way. You niggas was boxed in. Either way you look at it, nigga, you know it.
Do y'all hear this nigga how he lie? He just said he don't incriminate himself, but he just said he had me
You
shot.
was boxed in.
Nigga, he's a
That's
bitch.
all I
This
said.
nigga weird. I'm dealing with a real berry ass nigga, man.
So
I
you
fuck
saying
with
I
40
pulled up in
Glock,
LA,
nigga.
a Paru, and came
Y'all
to a
niggas is
coke nigga
going.
and said, hey,
Nigga,
will you
you ain't
get
the
that
Paru,
Paru over
nigga.
there
You's
a
a fraudster.
pass? Are
Paru's
you
just
telling me
BG
that,
your ass.
bro? You
Paru's
telling
just
me I
BG.
pulled up a Paru, came to you while his Paru's there, Paru's behind you and said, hey,
Nigga on coke,
Colton,
nigga, it
can
was
you give
about
him a
40
pass?
Crips, nigga. It was
Come
a
on,
gang of
bro.
Crips. Nigga, it was all Crips, all my hood. Nigga on
Come
coke and
on.
Crip, nigga, you ain't had no
Well, let me
win.
ask you a question. I was at the Four Seasons. Y'all was there at least
You
15
wasn't at
minutes.
no Four Seasons. You was
On
driving
my
with
mama,
Suge,
I was
my
at the
nigga.
Four
Suge
Seasons.
pulled
Me,
up. I
Suge, Zap,
fuck with
Lil
Suge. Never
John
do you
was
know
at the Four
Suge was my
Seasons.
homie Selly, cuz. Suge was
Me,
one of my
Zap,
homies from my hood,
me,
Selly,
Zap,
nigga.
Lil John, Suge was at the Four Seasons on Doheny. It was like 15, 20 minutes from the time we got the call. Y'all was there, we got there. Gave them in valet parking. Why y'all didn't get off? Why y'all didn't get
Yo,
off? They was
It's
yo,
right
not
I
this.
there.
got a, yo, I got a question that I want to ask though, right? This is what I really want to ask. If was there smoke prior to? Because I'm not familiar with what was going with 40 Glock and game. If nigga knew he had smoke, did nigga come to approach you with a camera recording for a fade?
When?
When he
When they
when you
jumped
was
me?
when you had, huh?
When they jumped me?
Yeah.
Yeah, when he
Jumped
Yeah.
you?
ran down on you.
Where he
So
got
After
niggas,
they
jumped
no,
at?
after they listen, when they packed me out, they started
Where
having the
you got
cameras out.
packed out at?
Listen, when they packed me out, my
Oh,
nigga,
this
they
nigga
had the
crazy.
cameras out, they had the guns. This nigga named Gambino. Now, I already caught Gambino and I had a talk with me, him, and Speedy had a conversation on three-way. He told Speedy from 88, yeah, they jumped him, and yeah, he gave Game his gun, he put one in the brain, and he said he regret that because, it fucked up his life. That's what he said, and he don't want no problems with it. And he tired of me because I keep chasing his ass around. You understand what I'm saying? So Cuz got on the phone with me, and I said, Cuz, as long as you keep it Gucci, da 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 da. And he was like, man, I'm all the way through with that nigga and blah, blah, blah. All right? Now, that's beside the point, cuz. You feel me? Now, what I'm trying to say is, yes, the niggas had guns on me and they had camera on me. Other than that, cuz, nobody gives a fuck. That's why I filed a lawsuit. They played the games, cuz. They didn't want to get in these streets,
All
cuz.
right, Gates, big old Colton City Crip.
Then
That's
nigga
why
get
you filed the
down, cuz.
lawsuit.
I watch you call
I
my nigga
guess
stuff,
there's
cuz. You
reasons to
call Lil
file
Trav from
lawsuits
New
for
York
street
City.
niggas now.
My nigga, that's Lil Trav to me, cuz. And that's my little nigga.
I
And
guess I
he's
guess
big
that's you
now.
got reasons
Trav's
to
big now,
file
and I think he'll
lawsuits.
whoop your ass. I'm
Trav
talking
can
for me.
speak for itself, my
Well,
nigga.
why don't you get down with me?
Trav can speak for itself. You ain't
It
from New
don't matter.
York.
Yeah.
Stay
Trav,
out of their business.
he's still my nigga though. I don't give a fuck if I ain't
All right, well,
seen him. I'm
listen,
always the
listen,
same nigga when my
listen. So
niggas to
what
me.
you
So
saying is
I'm saying I want you
you're
to get
saying
down, cuz. Oh, fuck
you're
all this talk.
saying that it's okay to file lawsuits on street activity, on street niggas.
No, on Hollywood ass police ass niggas like you.
All right, yeah, you
You
win, my
running with the
nigga.
police, cuz. You a slot machine, nigga. You don't get to run with the
When
police
you
and
call
come
me
over
a
here and
slot
play
machine,
street
that's
shit.
you let me know you'll file a lawsuit on me,
Nigga,
nigga.
you don't get to play with the police and come over here and play street shit. Either get
What
down or shut the fuck
police?
up.
We don't
Get
got
down
to
or shut
hire
the fuck up,
police with
cuz.
us, bro.
Then why you ain't getting
That's
down, Wack?
not one nigga with us that's a
Why
hired
every
police,
time you
bro.
getting down, it's magically a camera filming you getting down with white boys, but you ain't getting down with no niggas. Every time you get around niggas,
Ask
you
the main
screaming. You
streets, they the
screaming for the
ones
police.
recorded it.
My nigga,
Hey,
listen, y'all. Can I say
before you
something?
keep going, give me some main streets nephews. Before you say something crazy about them, ask the
Don't
main
bring
streets.
nobody else up.
That's they little nephews that I don't know that was in the parking lot. They said, hey, don't you fuck with this dude? We got the video and he was just squabbling. Ask them, bro. I
What are you
don't know.
talking about?
That's how the
What you
recording
talking
got.
about?
Nigga, because the Crips sent me to record. I didn't know a nigga recorded it. They little
Recording
niggas
of what?
recorded it.
What are you talking about? The shit
What
with
are you
game when
talking? You
when they
asked
packed me
me
up?
how the recording came to be, nigga.
I didn't ask you how no
A nigga
recording
from
came to
Main
you.
Street Crip said,
The white,
Wack, my
you talking
little
about the white
niggas
boy. You talking about the white
just
boy.
saw you fighting some white boys in the parking lot. I'm like, so no shit? He like, yeah, they recorded it. I'm going to send it to you. That's where it
Oh,
come
okay.
from,
About
bro.
that's what you're saying about that. But why is it magically you get it's
That's
recorded
not
you put out with
magically.
stitch,
That's just
with
what
the white
happened.
boy stitches? It's recorded you fighting these other two white boys. Why ain't none of these niggas that want to get
White
down with
boy
you? Cause you got
stitches, my
100 niggas
nigga.
want to get down with you though. Cause look,
Wait.
you got
So if a
100
Wack
niggas
nigga
knocked
want to
him
get
walking
out
down
up
though.
with
on
you,
us,
Mr.
I didn't have
Police,
no camera, my nigga.
Cyborg, Penitentiary, Cyborg,
We are in
Paru.
front of
Get
Club
down,
Story.
nigga.
Hey, how many people been to Club Story? It's a very well-known club in Miami. The club is
Yeah.
over with. They see a fight about to happen. Nigga, I can't control these motherfuckers
Okay, so
pulling
why
out a
you ain't getting
camera,
down with no
nigga.
niggas? Why you ain't
I
getting down
went
with
to
no niggas?
jail.
Get down with some niggas, cuz.
I went to jail.
Okay, I'm asking you, why you not getting down with no niggas? I
I'll
want to
fight
fight, cuz.
anybody come in front of me to fight.
Why we
But
gotta come in,
40,
nigga? You can line it up,
for
cuz I
the
want to go ahead and
record,
get your ass whooped, cuz.
nobody,
I'm with it.
myself, we do
Get
not
this
want to
ass whooping,
engage
cuz. Don't
in
talk that,
any
nigga. Don't come
violence
you
with
fat,
you.
pudgy out of shape, nigga. On coke,
For
I'll
the
beat the dog
record,
shit
we
out
don't
your
want
ass.
to engage with no violence with 40 Glock. What's your
Nigga,
name? White
you
Charles,
talking,
some
you
shit, White.
talking, you
We do
talking.
not want to, and for the record,
You
As a
talking.
man, if I
Nigga,
have to
you out there
defend
and didn't want to
myself,
get
I
down after
will.
that, nigga.
Hopefully
I
this will
advise
help
you,
me
nigga,
out
we
in
got
court
offer
because I
money
know
and
you gonna
everything,
sue me.
cuz. You niggas don't want to see that all that fake camera shit ain't cracking, nigga. You know jaws getting cracked, nigga. On my mama, y'all don't want to get
40,
embarrassed,
my
cuz.
nigga. Hey, look, how you talking? It ain't how you was acting, bro, when you was time to deal with it.
Nigga, I said, hey, I'm good. You just jumped. I got jumped. I'm cool. I
Oh
said
my
it on the
God.
tape. Why is it on
Oh
the
my
tape?
God.
Just
I'm
like how
good.
you said,
I don't want to fight.
J-Rock just knocked
Didn't
me
you
out.
apologize to him on the camera?
To who?
Didn't you say I'm sorry? You said something.
Oh,
You
God, I ain't said no, I'm
I'm
sorry,
gonna
you
pull that
bust
shit up,
ass
bro.
nigga.
I'm
Come
gonna pull
quit,
that up.
nigga. Nigga, I got $50,000 if you show me I said I'm
If
sorry,
I'm a
nigga.
buster, what are you? Because ain't nobody got me
Nah,
running
he ain't
through
say
no bushes, my
You a
nigga.
he ain't.
top-notch
Yo,
buster on Come
nah,
Quit.
I've
he didn't
never
say fake.
My
you a
nigga, you got every
bushwhacker, my
excuse for
nigga.
not catching a fade.
Fucking
You
people
on a
bushes up like
platform
that,
but got
nigga, for
every
no
excuse for
reason.
catching a fade. All you is on the internet running your mouth. Every time you see me, I'm in conflict, whether I'm getting jumped, shot,
Don't
doing
nobody
whatever the
see
fuck I
you.
do. Whatever the fuck
Everybody
I
on
do.
stage, bro. Listen, 40, you're not relevant, non-existent. We don't know what you do,
Well,
bro.
get down. Well, if
Hey,
I'm not
moderators,
irrelevant,
we're
you
not
should be
bringing
able to get
nobody up
down,
on
right?
stage right now.
What?
Stop bringing people up.
So you should be able to get down, right? You
40.
said I'm not
Any
existing.
man
Get
that
down,
stand in
cuz.
front of me as a threat is gonna be dealt with as such.
Come on,
Believe that.
cuz. You don't come, you a buster, my nigga. Get down, nigga. You want to get down?
You can't show nothing that show
Do you
Wack
want
being
to
a
get down?
buster. But we
My
can
nigga,
show
well,
some
get
things
down.
about you being a buster.
I'm
Do
ready to
you
get
want to
down. I'm
get
ready to
Wack
down?
get
has
down
Do
with
you
you
never
want to
tonight,
get
said
nigga.
on the
down?
stand.
I asked them niggas, can you
Wack
give
Wack,
me
has
a
never
fair
Wack,
trade?
pointed a
Wack. He
man
said, "Do
out.
you want to get down? Do you want to get
I,
down?" Wack is what he said. Do you want to get
Who,
down?
this nigga?
Yeah,
Bro,
he want to get
hey,
down.
Cadillac, you can take that before. Are you crazy? Didn't I just tell you I sent the fucking wire? The fuck? Wack
this
sent the
nigga's a
wire,
joke.
bro.
You a joke. You a joke, cuz. I'm calling you a joke, nigga. You's a buster, my nigga.
You hear the
You
nigga
lucky, nigga.
calling me
But,
a slot
hey,
machine,
well, look,
Cadillac.
don't
You
get
ain't
down with me,
catching
nigga.
it?
It's a gang of Damus.
He
Listen, it's a
keep
gang of
calling me a
Damus.
slot machine, my nigga.
Hey,
He
my nigga.
telling me he gonna
It's a
sue.
gang of Damus that want to get down with you and a gang of
Do it
other
just to
people
beat
Man,
his
want to
stay
get
ass
out of
then.
get down
Damu
with
business.
somebody.
Go
Well, will
back
you
to
get down with
Colton.
somebody?
Are
Will you
you
get
gonna
down
go
with
back to
somebody?
Colton?
Can we line up a fade with
Are you
somebody? You
gonna
ain't got to
go
get down
back
with
to
folks.
Colton?
Nigga, you a bust.
That's
This
my
nigga a
point.
bust.
Hey,
I
one mic
bet you
real
gonna
quick.
go back over there.
Hey,
Nigga, I just
hold
came
on
from
real
over there.
quick. Hey, we clearing the stage a little bit, man, because it's a little too crowded. Everybody throwing their opinions in when these two men are trying to talk. Please do not bring a bunch of people on stage. We are asking nicely. That's why we are clearing the stage. So please,
Yeah.
please do not
they
bring a
still
bunch of
Hey,
people on stage.
as you speaking, King. They
Yeah, if you
still
get
adding. They
I
adding
know
extra
we
no,
is,
if
but
people.
the
y'all
room,
get
Haven't
moved
seen
down,
people
please do
come up
not take
they're
offense.
lately.
We
adding them.
still love y'all, man, but we
Hey,
Yeah,
gotta
we're
clear the
I'm
just
not a
stage
bunch
because
of
there's a
people. I
lot of
just
people
came
on
up. I'm not a
stage.
bunch of
we're
people.
just trying
Just
to
a
clear the
gamble,
stage
man.
so they can have a polite well, not polite, but they can have a conversation with 1,000 people jumping in saying they own little 2 cents. So please
Right.
don't take offense to this. Please,
In that
definitely don't
regards,
take
y'all,
offense,
welcome to
man.
Death of the Cloud Chaser. If you're new to Clubhouse or new to the room, all you gotta do is tap that motherfucking greenhouse with the hole in the middle, smash that join club button, become a faithful ass member of Death of the Cloud Chaser, y'all. Make sure you follow
I want to
all
get
the
in.
moderators. Hold on. Moderators, if y'all see anybody coming off their mic while I do this reset, please do not hesitate to move them down. But what's up, y'all? Make sure y'all join the house at the top. Make sure y'all click that link, put on that motherfucking notification bell. Make sure you give a huge follow to Big Chuck. He's the one who put all of this shit on. Make sure you hit that notification bell on his profile, so you can be notified of any room that he decides to make a Death of the Cloud Chaser or any room, period. We got some cool people up here. I think we got some Trolls Nation, Crenshaw, Sleepless. We got Giles up here. D Castro in the building. We got hella people in the building, y'all. So make sure you give them all a follow. Just because they don't have a bean doesn't mean they're not running shit on their side type shit. So make sure you give everybody a follow.
Who is
Um,
Brent?
the conversation is definitely free flowing. If you do get moved to the audience, y'all know that we still love you. You are still always welcome to the room. But right now, Wack and I think 40 Glock are having a very serious conversation, y'all. So we
Man,
just
I'm
have to give
done
them the
talking to
utmost
that nigga.
respect.
I ain't talking to that rat no more. That nigga's a
Yeah,
rat.
yeah.
Check, you
All
got
he
his
want to
ass
do is
in.
go put it up on his
I'm
YouTube
dead,
channel
G.
because he ain't relevant. He need my voice and everything about me to drive some views. That nigga's a rat. He took the stand. I witnessed it. I had to pay the fucking debt. Can't nobody tell me nothing about it. I felt the fucking pain. End of the day, nigga tried to come tat something to my house. Nigga attempted, I had to pay attorneys and fix that shit. All kind of weird shit. This ain't nothing this nigga gonna tell me that some street shit is cool to be presented in court. I'm not, nigga. I don't come from that. I'm cool. If that's what he doing, that's what he doing. If
Hey,
y'all
hey,
agree, then
look.
that's
With
on
that
y'all. He
being
win.
said, we about to close out this room. Y'all y'all follow the room at the top. Hey, who is that?
Why y'all move me to the
Is
goo? What I do,
is
bro?
is Ghost in here? Hey, don't move Gambler to the goo, man. That's my boy.
Yeah, I'm right here, bro.
Hey, yo, 40
Hey,
Glock, 40
Ghost.
Glock. You gotta pull up. They got
Yes,
your
sir.
name in the title, 40 Glock.
Hey, shout out James
Hey,
Green. Hey,
Yo,
Ghost.
what's up?
Hey, go ahead and
Yeah, I got
we
you.
about to end
I
this
can't hear
room.
nothing.
Chuck, you sound like
Go
you
ahead, man.
underwater, bro.
who just
Tell
popped
Ghost to
in?
open up the room at the top. We about to go to the other room. About to close this one down.
Yeah, y'all. So Ghost is about to make that room that's at the top. So whenever y'all see Ghost pop out, go ahead and click that link at the top. Press
Hey,
join
hold on.
room
T
in
Money just came
progress.
in,
We're
Wack.
definitely about to end this.
You said he came in.
Got him.
All right,
Yeah,
bring
T,
him up because we need him to go to the other room, the
T
actual.
Money, raise
Because
your hand. It's open. Raise your hand, T Money.
yeah, go ahead and
T Money
y'all
gonna
go
tell you
Here.
ain't
slide
no
over
40
there.
Glock introduced me to no fucking game. That nigga out his fucking mind.
Money on the
That nigga
stage.
finally
Salute T
responded
Money.
to my
What's
page.
good with you?
What's happening?
T Money, 40 Glock say he the one introduced me to game.
Hmm?
He say he made the introduction to be the game, my nigga. Him. He say him and game was involved, and I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. But a lot of niggas don't know that game really come from you and your movement, right?
All facts.
Right?
Yeah,
A lot of
yeah.
niggas don't know that. That come from T Money created that movement. Him, D Mac, Dougie D, people that T Money put in place eventually. Uh, so I don't know. Was 40 Glock involved in y'all movement back then? This nigga talk about 05, '06, bro. What the I just started fucking with Game to LAX. So a
Nah, the
whole
only
lot of
the
shit
only
had already changed. You know, that was already a Jimmy Henchman thing going on. D-Mac already did what he did. So I don't know. Was 40 Glock in y'all movement back then? Maybe you know something I don't know, bro.
nah the only the and even Jimmy Henchman, D Mac is the one that put Jimmy Henchman in
I
place.
know that.
Yeah, so nah, 40 Glock was nowhere around. If anybody that was there from the beginning was Cam from Watts. He signed to Ice
Yeah,
Cube, and
yeah.
me, D Mac, K Dog, and Dougie D. But other than that, like, nah, hell nah.
Well, none of that. A lot of niggas don't give you your fly. I know the politics. We go back 12 years old, juvenile hall. But this nigga in here talking like my nigga, I'm like, bro, you was not never a factor in nothing that was going on with none of that, bro. Like, that's crazy. It was some Crip niggas, but it wasn't you, nigga. They was from Mansfield Crip.
Yeah, I ain't even never met that before.
There it go.
And I would like to thank you for responding to my text and coming in here, T Money.
Yeah, I ain't know what was going on, but yeah, nah, I ain't never met that dude. He wasn't around us at all.
Exactly. Down the
Ain't that
niggas
what
try
we just said? We just said that.
to it's crazy. All right. All right, nigga, I'm gonna hit you up later on. I gotta come see you anyway.
All right.
All right. This nigga
All right,
crazy.
y'all. Make sure y'all following that link at the top. Did 40 Glock just admit he told on the game? Sorry. Make sure y'all hit that join the room in motherfucking progress, y'all. People are piling up over there. So if you want to get on the stage, definitely get over there now. So you could definitely have first dibs on the stage type shit. That room is about to go up too. This room is about to get boomed, y'all. So go ahead, join that link at the top now. I won't boom this until half of y'all is over there, man. Go ahead and join that link at the top. Join